Good afternoon, well, good morning, everybody. Welcome to JTraedz TV, where we discuss all stock-related content and much more. Let me get my screen back over. Yeah, guys, huge play this morning. We had mRNA, went on a nice move this morning. Started off yesterday at $60, shot up all the way up to like 160, almost $100 move. Miss B. So yeah, so we was in a group this morning, so getting focused, trying to focus on that. Had a huge movement. I'm gonna go to MRN, guys. That was a big play this morning. Let me go to it. Let me go to it. Hold on. MRNA. And let me close up my screen up here. Let me close it out, enable it. All right, disable it. mRNA. I'm rushing, man. I'm trying to get everything ready for the stream. So guys, look at mRNA. Look at this. From yesterday, started off at 60 cents. I'm sorry, $60. I'm sorry, $60. Got a gap up all the way up past 100, ran up as high as 163. So pretty much $113 push. Where was it at? Yeah, 60. It's about $103 push. I'm sorry, $103 push. And then caught that nice little move back down. So yeah, man, big trade this morning. For everybody else that was watching, I did call out Apple this morning. That was down towards the 312s. Right here starting up this morning, I said wait for this pullback. We have a bull flag pattern standing up. As long as we can hold that 311.80 to 312, you have room to push your way up towards 314, up towards this 316, which we did get that push. Then wind up going all the way up towards my next target of 319.35. Tesla was another one. Tesla was another one we called out. Get that fixed. From what was the bottoms this morning? Well, we did hold the 36, 37 levels. Got that nice push all the way back up towards that 340, 342 was that main key area we needed. From 342 up towards the 348. So the bull stepped in this morning. The bull stepped in this morning. So right now we have a little bit of resistance underneath 48. Look like it's trying to set up for a little bit of a bull flag pattern. As long as we stay above this 45 level. So if they can stay within this range. Like I said, because you know how ranges love to rotate. So we can stay within this range, and we get this pullback down towards 348, down towards the 345. We want to hold that level for that nice move on up. But look like they're still trying to go for this 48 attack. Now, the next level up on Tesla that I did see, guys, was up towards 451.26. But yeah, Bayer stepped in this morning, guys. They went crazy. Went straight ballistic on a lot of trades this morning. Tesla, Apple, was a lot of them that went just hella crazy this morning. And the main thing, and shout out to hardware, was mRNA, Moderna. It was a huge move this morning. If you got in at the $60 levels yesterday and you woke up towards $100, you was already at 40, and then the continuation push to 160, you was up $100. So yeah, that was a sick move this morning. Sick move. Yeah, that was a sick play. And SPY, we talked about the that 72 level. We did fall back underneath, but we did say that was our targeted area towards that 71.82 to 72 level. From these bottoms right down towards my 768.11, got that nice little build all the way up towards 742. So just think of this as a range right now. So take these bottoms and these tops, put it in the range. Same thing with Apple. Look at your range. That 319.35. What's up, bro? Give a shout out to my brother, man. That's my actual biological brother, man. And once again, boss, I'm so proud of you, man. You keep doing what you're doing. You keep elevating. He's gonna open up many more doors for you, man. So keep doing what you're doing, man. I'm so proud of you. Salute to my brother. Let me give him some love, man. Let me give him some love real quick. Shout out to my brother. Man. So proud of you, man. Keep doing the damn thing. Keep doing it, guys. So right now, guys, you still have a bull flag pattern standing up on Tesla. Look for that 348 break. Look for that 348 break. We're waiting on that one. Anticipate. We're waiting for that possible push up towards that 350 to 351. So once we get this breakout, we're looking for the possible next leg up towards 350, 351. So right now we are in the range. Still trying to get our way out of this 348. As long as your bottoms hold, this 345, 45 holds, you want to get that next leg up. So I'm going to put a price target right here. This is the area that we need to break out. And I already got my target set up here, so that's already set. Well, I ain't gonna put it. I'm gonna put it at 350. I'll put it at 350. At 350, man. But yeah, guys, yeah, that's why I was out this morning, man. Everybody was on the focus trade this morning. Had like I said, a big play this morning was mRNA. So I had to use my other account, so I had to focus on that. But yeah. Huge play, man. That was beautiful. Beautiful play. So keep it on watch, guys. Keep it on watch. And again, Apple was a beautiful play this morning. We called the bull flag pattern at the start of the day on Apple. Right here, guys. I mean, right here was your best entry. Off the VWAP and right off of that 311.80 to 312 was a good entry right here from that area. I mean, those contracts went up, guys. I mean, that's what helped me out a lot. I mean, they had one that started at like 5 cents, shot up to like $1 and something. Went up to like $1. Let me go back to it. I was in watching mRNA. Because I still think that I still want to play some more of that downside after this bounce. Because I'm trying to see what that next resistance is going to be on mRNA. Because, it has a lot of room to fall. It has a lot of room to fall. So, I still want to catch that next leg down on that bad boy. I want to catch it. What we talking about? Apple. Let me go to the contracts that was like at 5 cents. Let me see. What was that 5 cent contract that bounced, that shot up to like $1? What we at right now? Oh shit, it shot up higher than that. Oh, let me copy that. Oh, that's mRNA. Wait, where's my Apple? mRNA went from 5 cents to $10. That's insane. Let me see, Apple. My bad, guys. Let me go to Apple. Sorry. There we go. 5 cents. Where we at right now? 144. Look, tell me I'm lying, guys. Look. If you would have got in Apple with these bottoms, watch this. So this is one of the contracts. Look at this. Look at that. Started off at damn near almost lows as 5 cents. And look where you ended up at, damn near $2 plus. So that's why I told you guys, catch those bottoms, would have been riding that bad boy smoothly. So that's one of the contracts from today on Apple. I told you, man, the contracts is ripping today. Oops. Yeah, contracts went crazy. And look at that, Tesla still moving, guys. Look for that possible, look. We're looking for that 348 break for that move up towards 350 to 351. Those will be our targets towards the upside. We got to stay above 348 on that one. Now, let's see, let's see what we can look for lunch. Let's see some lunch hour plays. Let's see, can we find some lunch hour plays? Now that they didn't ran on up already. We already got Apple already pulling back underneath that 319.35 back on down. Key levels I have back to the downside. If we crack this area here, let's see, can we hold that 316.29 again? Let's see, can we get a little pullback bounce and reclaim back up? Since the moves already happened this morning, so we just waiting to see what's gonna be the next setup. Tesla's still gunning. Watch it, 348. Tesla's still gunning, trying to slowly build his way up. Keep in mind, guys, lunch hours is rolling in about 30 minutes. So the plays already happened pretty much. So let's see if we get some lunch hour volatility. If we don't get it, we may be in this range on Tesla between 38 all the way back down to 35, 45. So we're going to take this box here, make a box real quick. Yeah, man, we had some good trades this morning, man. We killed, man. That mRNA was a beast. Even on the short side was a beast. After that run up, we was anticipating 150 up to 160. So, yeah. So now I'm just waiting to see, okay, what's that next possible, we go for this next drop down. I'm trying to see what's going to be the next put opportunity. So I'm looking towards 45 to 50 to see if they're going to run back up towards it. Apple's starting to turn back down, guys. Look for that pull back down towards that possible area of 316s. If we get a harder drop underneath that, we can't hold that area. Look down towards that 314.81. But I want to see if we're going to hold. I want to see, can we hold right here, right where that VWAP is. Tesla, like I said, the buyers, just a little tad weak, just a little bit, but the buyers are still in control. Right now, we're in a range, so watch your range right here. SPY, we are back underneath 72. Back down towards that 69.50 level here. So I'm going to mark off, because I know I got my lines. The reason why I got these lines is based off of my 1 hour time frame. That's why. So if I go to my 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see it. The setup. See? From the demand zone, mid zone, supply zone. So that's why I got it. It's based off of my 1 hour time frame. You can also see the range. Look at this. Came down to these bottoms. That reclaimed that 67.46 and got that push right back up towards that 42 area. That's the area that we need to get that continuation push back up to the upside of 76 to 78. So, and right up towards the 200-day moving average. So moves already happened. Based off these bottoms back up, the moves already happened. We're just waiting for the next setup now. Moderna, I mean, I'm definitely waiting for that push back up because I want to see if we're going to get rejected on E50 again. 45, 50 back down. I want to see what's going to happen because I want to catch that because that bad boy, I mean, think about it, guys. $100 run up and then a possible gap down if that bad boy to come selling off hard. Just imagine. If you missed them run up, imagine a run down. That's all I'm saying on that. So, like, if we go back to Moderna real quick, let me go to my chart. So think about it from, like I said, think about it from yesterday. Look where you started at, damn near $60. Gap up, and look where we holding at, right in this range. So we already took the first top up here for that move back down. So we caught that one. So now we're looking to see, can we get the, after we get a possible initial bounce back up, can we see a double top? So that's all I'm waiting on. I'm waiting on this bounce to see, can we get a nice little bounce back up real quick into resistance. I don't want to get caught in the range. I want to see if we're going to, break out of it. Test these higher areas that didn't possibly come back down. So I'm going to wait for this setup because I want to catch it because there's a lot of room to still fall back down to the downside. So that's why I want to see, can I get it? I want to nail that next one. Definitely want, there's a lot of room. Think about it, guys. From 140 to 130, that's 10. From 130 to 120, that's 10. Altogether, that's a $20 drop. From 140 down to 120, that's $20. Think about it. Think about it. So that's why I'm waiting for the next setup. I'm waiting for this next setup to see if we're going to start to curl back underneath 140 and then start to proceed down to 130 and possibly all the way down to 120. That'd be a nice $20 drop on that. So I'm patiently waiting on it. I want to catch this next one. Tesla still ramping up. All right, we still got Apple, guys. Remember our levels back down. We're underneath that 317.60. Looking for this pull back down towards this 316-ish area to see, can we hold. Basically, what we want to see, can we like create somewhat of a double bottom, like towards this area right here. It's gonna be a little bit below the 316s, like 380-ish. I'm sorry, 1580-ish area. But we want to get back on top of 316. So after this little sell off, we want to see, can we get like a red to green move back on Apple. Don't tell me we started to turn already on Moderna. No. Don't tell me I missed it. Man, don't tell me I missed the tops. Man, I didn't get my 145 on it. If they're already starting to turn. Yeah, it's already starting to curl. I think I had my entry too high. I had it at 145. We didn't get the 145 area. I'm still keeping on watch though. Okay, I want to still, because I know we're still ranging. I want to see if they're gonna try to bounce back up to retest, but we already starting to pull. I mean, I can still play underneath 140. All right, like I said, right now, guys, after the move up, starting to sell off, right back down. There go your SPY pulling back. There go your Apple pulling back. Tesla, like I told you, 348. Look for that pull back down towards that 345.45. Moderna, oh man. I think it's already starting to pull. I think I might have missed it. Keep it on watch though. Keep it on watch because I know it still can. I'm still looking for some more droppage on this. To go down even harder. From 340 down to 140 down to 135 on it. I mean, there go your Apple pullbacks, guys, on right here, right down towards that 316.29. Tesla, we still anticipating that pullback down towards 346 down to that 345.45 area. Right now, right now it's ranging. I mean, you have a range for Tesla for sure. You're in a range. I mean, Apple may do the same. I mean, as long as they hold these bottoms, I mean, that'll create a range. That means you have to get right back on top of 317.60 for that reversal back up because you got to turn resistance back into support. It looked like a head and shoulders, to be honest. It looked like a head and shoulders pattern setting up on Apple now. Because you got a shoulder right here, a head, and then if you get a bounce back up and this holds, that's gonna be your right shoulder. So it may be a possible head and shoulders pattern on that one. I mean, SPY almost got something like that too. You got a little shoulder here, head here, especially back underneath that 72. I mean, we'll see though. We'll keep it on watch to see. But for sure, I mean, Apple definitely has a head and shoulders pattern on that one. You can clearly see that. All right, what time it is? We got about 2 minutes. I'm watching this area on Moderna because I know it's an area that we need to stay underneath. Versus getting caught in the range. So I mean, I'll show you guys what I'm looking at on Moderna real quick. So you don't mind? I'm watching this range right where we at. Where's my Oh, I didn't set up one. That's why. So I got to set it for default. No wonder. So yeah, I'm watching this level because I know we're starting to curl back down already. I'm watching this already because I wanted to see if we was going to try to get a push back up. Yeah, I mean, I have my entry set at like 145, but I might go up a little bit higher. I might go up a little bit higher. I want to see if they're going to try to go back up towards 150. Because that's really what I want. I really want 150. You see, can I get that push back up there and then see can we get a harder pullback? If I can get it. If not, if they start dropping, then I might just have to go with the flow on it and just go with the momentum. So I'm gonna keep it on watch. So I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna keep it monitored on my side, and I'm gonna let you know what's how it's setting up. Yeah, because I think I might have missed the tops on that. I mean, for a quick little scalp on it. All right, here go the bounce. I see it bouncing real quick. Back up right at that 138.40. I want to see can they get back up towards like that 45. 145 is area. Because I want to get out. I don't want to get caught in that range. I don't want to get caught in the range on this one. Tesla still ranging. Yep, because lunch hours is rolling, guys. Like I said, all the huge moves already happened this morning. I mean, they already happened since the start of the bell. I mean, Apple already went on that nice run up towards like close towards 320 and then back on down. But watch this little area right here to see if they're gonna hold. To see right here, can we get a sell possible red to green, right around that VWAP. So let it sell off right here, right towards that 316 down to 316.80ish area to see if they can hold it. Let me put a little box right there, just a little bit. It's not like a big box. It's gonna be a little small one, like right about here, right where that VWAP is at. Watch that watch those bottoms. Watch your bottoms. But shout out to my traders who did catch that Apple this morning, though. I gave y'all the guys the heads up this morning. I told y'all watch for that bull flag pattern. I told y'all watch for that bull flag pattern this morning. Right off of that 312 to 311.80. So I told y'all right here. 311.80, 312. Watch to see can you get that push, and there you go. Up to 314 to 316 was your move. And those contracts went flying, guys. Contracts went they went flying. So now we're just trying to prep ourselves up, see what's the next. And don't forget, guys, today we got FOMC meeting minutes coming out today at 2 o'clock. Don't forget about that. Don't forget about that. Alright, SPY pulling back down to the VWAP. mRNA is holding 138.40, just like I expected, to see if they're gonna push back up towards like 145. Like I said, I really want that 150. I really want 150. Alright, guys, so what are you guys looking at this time? I mean, we went over Tesla, we went over Apple. What else we had? What about Amazon? How Amazon looking? Amazon's still looking decent. Amazon's still looking decent. We're looking for that break above that 266. Setting up pretty decent. Let me look at the overall setup though on this bad boy. Yep, up towards that 266 will be your next key level. Let me put an alert if you are watching Amazon too. 266. Alright. Then Apple, guys, there go your pullback. If you took the put, there go your price points down to the downside towards that 316.29 level here. If you want to take profits, you can. And you got down towards 1580, right where the VWAP is. So you can take profits right here if you want to on your downside. You know, if you took these tops back down, you can start taking your profits. Oh, and there go Moderna. I told y'all it was setting up for a bounce. Look, told y'all what I told you. That's why I was waiting it out. I was waiting for that bounce. That's why I didn't want to go chasing on the downside. I was waiting for that bounce right back up. Ah, come on. Jesus, shut up this high. God. There we go. But yeah, see, that's why I didn't want to chase. I was waiting to see if that bounce is going to occur right here. That red to green move, back up. That's why I was watching these bottoms. I was not chasing. That's why I said I wanted that push back up. That's why I moved it up higher to see if they're going to go for now or even higher push towards that 145 or 150. Because right here, guys, this is the area where buyers could be holding. This could be a demand zone. That's why I'm not going for puts right here in case they hold. So that's why I don't want to chance that. I'd rather wait for them to push up towards a resistance area versus a support area. Because this area would be like 50-50. Because I mean, they could hold, or sellers could proceed to take it out. But this area is going to be 50-50. I mean, what I would like it to push above 145 back up to 150. That's what I would like. But I don't know if we're going to get it. Kind of like right here in the range. It's kind of like ranging right here. Right in this little zone. That's why I don't want to take a chance on it until I get full confirmation that we letting go of this area. For sure. And especially underneath 135. So I'm definitely going to still keep it on watch. I'm going to keep everything on watch, guys, to see what's going to happen once we come out of this range on Moderna. Whether we're going to get a sell-off or it's going to hold and go for that move right back to the upside. So like I said, I'll keep you guys updated on that. Let me go back to the other stocks that we were watching. All right, Tesla, we're still in this range here. Still holding. It's still building. Still building. But I told y'all, guys, since what, Monday? I told y'all main key area was 342.11. I told y'all that was y'all main key. 342.11. Once they got above, look how aggressive those buys got, because they saw the same exact psychological level. 342.11. And look at this. Look at this move. Now what's the next key area? Just try to get above that 350. Because I told you, if we plan that gap fill, matter of fact, let's go to the daily. Because y'all remember I told y'all about that gap fill. Remember I told you about the daily. That possible gap fill. Once you got above 42.11, that was gonna be key. Let me see. Let me go to the go to Tesla real quick and make a duplicate copy of you. Take off this Moderna. Alright. Close another one out. Yep, guys, way all the way up here. Man, that was the best little entry right here for a put. Right back on down. Nailed the crap out of it. Yeah, Moderna, I mean, guys, look at this gap up. I mean, look at this. From these bottoms, and then imagine waking up in the morning to a huge gap up this high. It's insane. And look how much room you have to fall back down if it ever lose steam. Look at that. Especially underneath that 130s, back underneath these key levels. I mean, we are still falling. I mean, slightly. So, let me go to SPY real quick. I mean, not SPY, Tesla. Tesla. What was that key level at? What I told you about that gap fill. What I told y'all. What was y'all intended area that we needed to get on top of? What I told y'all. 342.11. And look at this gap fill. Look at that gap fill. All the way up to where? 370. Look at that. Broke above that key level you needed. Boom. Green candle. Daily. You think they're not going to try to proceed up? To finish that gap fill I've been telling you guys about since like last week? RSI not even overbought yet. Still got a lot of room to still push to the upside to get overbought. Still got a lot of room to squeeze towards that area. I prepared y'all for this. I told you guys Tesla's potential. I told you guys this. Alright guys, watch your Apple, watch your bottom right here. Watch to see if they're gonna hold. To see if those buys gonna hold, to see can we get a possible reversal. Let's see. And then think about it. If we crack this key level here, where do you think they're going to pull down to? What area you think they're going to try to retest on Tesla? Where do you think we could be a nice pullback bounce? If push came to shove and Tesla had a hard pullback, where do you think that 9 times out of 10 that good entry will be at? You know, even if you miss this move up and we pull back to the downside, where do you think that good entry will be for Tesla? If you miss this initial first move here. My red line is all the way up here, guys. All the way up towards like damn near 368. So we still got some ways to go. Still got some ways to go to get this continuation uptrend. So keep everything on watch. But I told y'all, I prepared you guys since last week on what's I told y'all Tesla had a gap fill, a possible gap fill. I brought this to everybody's attention. Still got SPY with a little bit of an uptrend. A little bit of an uptrend still building. Remember, got to get back above that 71.82 to 72 to get that push up towards one of our initial targets, and that's 73.41. Tesla right now, you're just in a range. Tesla's in a range right now. Apple, somewhat of a range, still holding these bottoms. Watch for that area. Know those buys can play off of that 316. We want that move right back up towards that 317.60 up to 318. Get back above that level to retest those highs. So we just want to see a nice rotation back up. That's all we want to see, is a nice rotation from these bottoms back to the top. Tesla still pulling back. Like I told you guys, possible room to right back down to that 45, just like I told you on that. And then if we lose that, you already know the 9 times out of 10 level they're gonna pull back down to. Y'all should know this by now. I don't even need to tell y'all. Y'all should know this. We done went over this. I'm not, I'm gonna get to a point. I'm gonna let you guys tell me. Instead of me telling you guys gonna tell me what you guys think. So, if we crack this 45 level and we pull back hard, what's that next intended target on the downside they're going for? Can anybody answer me that? Chat, anybody. Anybody. If we lose 45 on Tesla and go for a hard pull back down, 9 times out of 10, where's going to be that target area those sellers are going for? Still watching Moderna. Still holding these bottoms. I'm still waiting to see if they're going to pop it back up. I'm still waiting on it. I'm still waiting on this pop. Because I'm not buying up. I mean, I'm not going for puts out on this level. I want it back up. I want it back up towards that 150-ish area for possible another opportunity. I still got my eyes locked in on Moderna because I mean it's a lot of room that you can make good money on that one. Tesla, like I said, watch your key area right here to start off with, 345.45, and then Apple, watch your 316.29-ish area. If we do get a little bit of a pullback, you could see 1580, but the main thing that you want to stay on top of is that 316.29, and we want to re-break above this 17.60. We want to avoid a possible head and shoulders. We don't want to get stuff here and then come back down. You want to get a full breakout, re-break back above that price point, and continue the upside. So I'm going to put an alert right back at that area. All right. All right, set that up. All right, cool. All right, so watch your levels. So I put this green box to show you guys where that potential demand zone was gonna be. So right now we ranging. Right now we all ranging. We ranging. Waiting on box to step back in. Moderna's starting to push back up, just like I anticipated. So I'm waiting on that push, that break out of that range back up. All right, Tesla, watch your bottoms as we come down here. If they can't hold, you already know they're going for an even harder drop, and we already know where they're going on that one. And once again, let me give a shout out to Minecraft. Thank y'all so much too for for allowing me to have the theme. Thank y'all so much. Y'all give some love to Minecraft. Let me give them a shout out. Y'all give some love to Minecraft. Y'all follow them on all social media platforms, guys, at Minecraft. Thank y'all so much for allowing me to use this theme. Appreciate you. Keep everything on watch, guys. Right back down to these bottoms on Tesla. Need to break above 48. You already know we need on that one. Apple, you need that 1760 up to 18 break. You need that one. SPY, you already know what we need on that. That's 72. So we are coming down these bottoms. And keep in mind, guys, lunch hours is around the corner. So we're going to see what type of volatility we're going to have for lunch. And don't forget, we have FOMC meeting minutes today, 2 o'clock. So we may see some volatility as well around 2 o'clock. So keep your eyes peeled on that. So since I did come in a little bit late, instead of 1 o'clock, I'll stay till 2. But then tomorrow we'll go back to normal time. Yeah, we just had like an emergency meeting, so we had to do that. So then that would do the Moderna, do the Moderna's move. Oh, let me go back to the chat room. Is everybody on Discord still? Oh, I forgot about to go to my Discord chat. How we looking now? Andrew and them is in. Oh, it's Primo and them is still. All right. So hardware, I think hardware's out. He already made. Y'all don't even want to know what he hit on Moderna. Jesus. Oh my God. I put it like this. If you reach that level, you'll be on vacation right now, not even having to trade for the rest of the year. I put it to y'all like that. Y'all wouldn't even trade for the rest of the year. That's how crucial that was. I was like, holy. Still seeing we're going to get a bounce. Watch your Tesla range right here, guys. Watch your Apple. Again, if we do crack that 16 level, if those sellers do come in, watch your 1481. Watch your 1481. So I'm going to set an alert just in case. Because you got to keep in mind, lunch hours just rolled in. All the buys are pretty much done right now. We're just now waiting for the second hand of buyers to step in. But the first, from the beginning of the market, they already made their profits. They out. They're already out. So we're just waiting for the second set to come in and see how they're going to carry on the plays. So right now, after the move up, now we're just getting a nice little fade on down right now. So the market is in a little fade. Little fade. So I'm keeping everything on watch. I'm still watching Moderna. I'm still in the range on that one. Still nothing yet. I need to add that to my list too. I need to add Moderna to my list. mRNA. Alright, mRNA. Cool. At 124% is nuts. That is nuts. So you already know, guys, lunch hours, volatility starts to die down. So you already know, be careful doing lunch. Don't force a trade until volatility steps back in. I mean, if you want to go for shorts, I mean, if you caught these tops back on down, I mean, you're still good to go down possibly towards that 69.50. A little bit of a little bounce on Tesla, a little bit of a bounce. We need to break above 48. That's going to be our key level we need for right now. All right. Matter of fact, let me add them in too, so just in case they need help. I'm gonna add them into the chat. Alright. I got you guys in on my stream. So I'll see Andrew, Primo, y'all in there. Andrew and I'll see if y'all need help, just let me know.
Alright, thanks.
No problem at all, boss. What you looking at so far? What's on your agenda?
Nothing right now.
Yeah, because that's what I was just telling everybody, to kind of ease off the accelerator right now, but due to the fact that we have lunch at this moment, and you know all the buying volatility already died off. I'm anticipating buyers to step in right around 2 o'clock for the FOMC meeting minutes. So I want to watch between 12 and 1 to see how we're gonna be setting up. Because like I said, guys, Tesla still got room to run. I mean, don't count that out. Remember I told you guys this. I'm talking to chat, Andrew. But yeah, chat, I told you guys, since last week, Tesla had a possible gap fill. You get above 342.11, that we could see a potential gap fill up. Look what happened once we got through above 342.11 this morning. Look on how rapid this went. Look at this. Now we're in a range, we're just going sideways right now, guys. We're consolidating, setting up for the possible next leg to the upside. So we're anticipating a 348 break, but that push up towards the 350s, because we still got a lot of room to run, even up towards high as 360s. So I'm just keeping you guys aware of that. All right, Apple still looking a little weak, pulling back. Moderna, like I said, the volatility died down just a little bit. Just a little bit. Still anticipating that push though. Alright guys, let's see what else can we see. What else we got? PLTR, we already know what we need on PLTR. You already know you need the 78 to 80. You need that for sure. I'm gonna mark that off. That's what you need on PLTR. And I'm gonna check out the daily on that one to see how high PLTR can keep going for sure. I mean 180 of course. So I'm gonna mark off 1 and 2. That'll be 80. So I'm gonna mark off all the levels you need, guys, on each stock. Each one on the upside. Okay. What else we got? Apple. Well, we already looked at Apple. We gotta get back above, of course. Oh, I already got that marked off. That's done. Moderna, I see you. I see you trying to wake back up. Amazon, we need that, what is that, 266 on that one? I think that's what it was. 266. Yep, 266. I already got that marked off. Meta. Meta. Where we at? We need 560. Meta, we need 560 on that one. I remember that price point specifically. We need 560 on that one. But if you want to play it to the upside, I mean, without having, I mean, if you, like I say, you get above 55, 555, look for that possible push towards that 200-day moving average towards 60. If you want to play the possible $5 push, get above 55, look up for that push up to 60. So I'm going to put 2 alerts on that one as well on Meta, because Meta likes to creep up too. That's another one. All right, I'm going to put 55 on you on that one. Watch your 55 to 60 on your Meta. All right, what else we got? Microsoft, we need to get that. We need that 490. I remember that specifically too. We need 490 up to 495. So anytime, and the reason why I'm putting these alerts, guys, just in case we're looking at multiple stocks and we're not looking at one in particular, when my alert go off, we can focus on it. That's letting us know that buyers are moving back up towards those price points that we need. So, all right, Google, what we need on that one, 348 to 350, if I'm not mistaken. I'll put 75, 50, 4750, sorry, 4750. Needs to give us a 50 cents heads up on that one. All right, boss, appreciate it. I was just about to go. That was next on my list. Yep, that was next. Yeah, remember what I told you guys for NVIDIA. You need that 220 to get that push up to 222. So we want to go for a $2 push. Shout out, thank you, Primo. Appreciate your bust on that one. Yep, 220 we need up to that possible push up to 222, $2 push. All right, so those are your key areas we need: 222 and 224. Yeah, I mean, right now, Tyke, I mean, the way it's setting up, I mean, we have this uptrend still building from pre-market on up. I mean, if we get above that area, I mean, we could definitely see a nice red to green move, because if you notice all red candles down, that means all sellers took place. So we go for, I mean, the way it's setting up, and then you got the VWAP to help the buyers. They could go for a strong push back up towards that 72, because our targeted area is 73.41. So I think they could still get it. I mean, I think they can still get it. That buyers can still build up. I mean, which they are doing now. So they are doing it. So I think we still get it. Keep it on watch. Watch this uptrend, and I'm going to watch it with you. And NVIDIA, there go your possible 220 we just talked about. So buyers are still in control, guys. So buyers, I mean, the market is, I mean, look at that. Now, look at all the companies now in the green. Look at this. 3%, 2%, 1%. Look at the market. Then change now bullish. Very bullish now. Very bullish. And there go your Moderna, too, as well. Just like we talked about, Moderna. I told y'all I was expecting a push back up to the upside on that one. What I told y'all? Told y'all, see why I say I was waiting? See why I say I was going to wait? What I told you. Boom. What I told you. I wasn't going to go for a put down here because that was a trap. I was not putting myself in that position in this range. I was going to wait for what? Upside. Now you see why I was waiting. For volatility to move right back in that play. Let me go back to NVIDIA. See, can we get that 220 push? We got Apple, guys. Those bottoms are holding. Right on top of 316 with 29, what I told y'all. SPY, looking for that 72 break. So what we want to see so far, we want to see a 3-candle bar play on SPY. 3-candle bar play. And we want to go, our initial target is go up towards that 73.50. 73.41, I'm sorry, 73.41. So let's see, can we get it? We want to, after this candle closes out, we want that next candle up, back up toward that price point. And look at that, NVIDIA, boom. 220, what we just talked about. Shout out to Primo for bringing that up. Shout out to him, to the GOAT. Primo, what do you think is the next resistance area for after this bounce on Moderna? Like for the next possible top? Because you don't think it's going to run all the way back up to no 63, huh?
I pushing to
Close, like 150-ish?
just load it up. Hold on. Dun, 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 dun. What is that? The bag 148.
Yeah, to 150, right?
Yeah, 150. Yeah.
Gotcha. Cool. All right. So we're on the same page. All right.
Yeah.
All right, guys. There go you.
150,000.
Okay. Yep. I'll be looking. I'll be waiting. All right, guys. There go your push back up on the video right above 220. 220. So that's putting you back in that level. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mark off that bottom. We need to hold that. We want to stay in the 220 range. So I'm gonna mark that off as a bottom right here. Next level up we want is 222. All right. Let me mark that off. There y'all go. Apple. Still holding that 316. Keep that on watch. We want to take out that 317.60 back up to 318. There go your NVIDIA. Boom. Beautiful NVIDIA. Look like it's setting up for a possible bull flag. So keep that on watch. Don't you stay above 220. You good. Boom. And gapped up. And you are setting up a bull flag. So that's setting up. SPY. You are back above right now. One of my little levels is what? 7102. What's up, boss? What's up, Hardware? I see you. I see you. And thank you for bringing up Moderna, man. Thank you for that, man. I appreciate you. Definitely helped that account out a lot. I appreciate you. I definitely appreciate you this morning. Me and Primo ate the rest of that on the back end. I was with Primo eating. All right, watching the video, guys. Setting up a bull flag. Watching 220 for the possible next leg up after this little pullback. Setting up. So the video got a nice little setup going on. Nice little setup.
We're heading to 221.
Yep. So after this pull, yep. And there go the Moderna, right back up to 146. Tight. Look right here, boss. Y'all still standing up on test on SPY. We want to see, can we get a third candle up? Third candle should be, if we can get this push, should be pushing up towards that 72. Should get a 3 candle bar play up. Same thing with NVIDIA. After this pullback, we should retreat right back up towards that 320.50 up to 321. Damn, I was expecting the bots to come in later on, but they coming in. They're already starting to attack immediately. Jeez. Let me see. Alright, take a look at the video. Remember, hands off. Yeah, 130. Yeah. So I'm just looking at the setups. So I mean, right now you got NVIDIA building back up. You got SPY building back up. Apple still holding. Yep.
It just shut up. I was like waiting for.
Yep. There they go. Yep, there go your third candle on the video, guys. Third candle, bull flag pattern. There y'all go. Third candle, boom. There y'all go. Get that break above. We want that 121 up to that 121.26 level. Let me put 121 on that one. One of my alerts on that one, guys. And if y'all caught those bottoms at 220, good job. Good job, good job. Right into that short trap, right back up. Good job on that.
Can't be babysit them. You gotta wait and see if they're gonna be late or not.
Yeah.
You gotta be waiting for them to get up themselves. Or remind them.
Tesla.
Like I was waiting, like.
Yeah, and I know, especially with Apple, I know you killed that.
A little bit and see, like, what the fuck.
Yeah. You guys, there go your third candle type. There go your third candle on SPY. Let's see, can we get that push up to 72?
I'm just like, I don't understand that.
All right, guys.
You talk to him, but he doesn't listen. Like, earlier, like, we were taking GM 180. I was like, yeah, this is why, and then most of the time, our big boss start using this room, so make sure, you know, you gotta know how to fix how to set up BenQ. I took the BenQ too, and blah blah.
I got there go your Tesla, red or green.
I wanted to do it, but there's something over there. And it's like, he didn't listen anything what I say. And it's like, so what time they're coming? Nobody's coming. I'm just trying to show you.
Primo.
It's like, yeah.
Primo know he on the phone, right?
Yeah.
That's my trading dad. Glad he ain't talking about nothing else.
What?
We can hear your conversation.
Oh,
I say I'm glad he ain't talking about nothing else.
my mic is hot.
Yeah, you got a hot mic.
Alright. What do we got?
Right now, Tesla's pushing back above that 348 spot. We're waiting on that 772. Apple bounced right back up at that 316 back up. We need to get back above 1760 to 318 on that one. So nice little bounces. Moderna still pushing.
You see Nvidia nice call, huh? Right.
Yep.
121.40. I mean 221.40.
Did my alert go off? Oh no, it didn't hit my alert yet. Okay.
Pushing.
Yeah. There we go. Okay.
Beautiful.
And shout out to the traders if y'all got in on that pull back down towards 220, back up towards that 220.50. Shout out to y'all for that. Look like it's setting up another flag. Look like it may set up another one. Tesla guys, y'all still looking good. Nice little U-shaped pattern breakout. Tight. Waiting on this 72, boss. Waiting on the 72 push. But keep in mind, you're going to have a lot of resistance right here at the 72 area. Keep it on watch. You do have room to run up, but the way it's setting up right now, we may not get a continuation. It may hit it, but I don't know we're going to break it just yet on it. All right. Yeah, that was a nice setup. Where we at now with Moderna? Did it hit this area? I was still waiting. Nah, how your baby been doing? PLTR, what is doing? Pulling it back underneath 176. Yeah, underneath 176. Yep. Still got a little uptrend though. Yeah, still got a little uptrend build to it. Let me see something what they're doing. Let me move this.
I see Tesla's about to break out actually. TSLA. Anybody's on TSLA?
Yeah, I just alerted them about that we needed that 348 break up towards that 350. Shout out to my Tesla traders on that one.
350, yeah. 350,
About $1 away.
And
About
Google's
$1.
building out too. About to break out. I mean, everybody's gonna run before the...
Yeah, before the FOMC meet. Yeah, before they come out. Yeah, before 2 o'clock.
Yeah. Oh, if you guys have them, put like some of your profits and a flash down. Ooh, it's beautiful.
Yep. Yeah, tight. Watch his 772 on spot right here. We like I said, we may test it, but I don't think we're gonna break just yet. But just watch that area. Let's see. Come on, Moderna. Come on. Give me got about $3 more to go. I want to see what you're gonna do at that 150. I'm waiting on that 150 so bad. I want that Moderna. Give me that 70, 47.50 break up towards 150. Give it to me. I'm waiting to catch that next one. Make sure I got my contracts on deck. Is that the right same contract? Or no, it's a different contract. Alright, that's a different one. Don't you pull back yet. Don't you dare. Not yet. Go up one more. So I told you guys, be careful doing lunch. Trying to map that top out. Pull back down to 220. A little bit pull back down 220 on Nvidia. Still got a bull flag pattern setting up though. Watch your 220 level, guys. Even though, despite the pullback, you just want to stay above 220. Oh, don't tell me they're pulling already. Hope this is a fake out. Fake out pullback. I want them to buy it back up, buy it back up, buy it back up. Alright, go for one more push. One more push for me. I'll be satisfied. One more push. Tesla, guys, watch it 338. I mean, I'm sorry, 348. Watch it 348. Watch this area right here. Watch this area right here. Same thing with your Nvidia. Watch it 220. SPY, we could get a little pull right back down towards this 71-ish area. We don't break above 72. Watch that. Because what we want to see, longs, you want to see that candle close above. We want to get on top of this floor if we're going to continue up. We don't want to run up, get rejected, and then start to reverse back down for a green or red move. We want to see a nice break above and a close. So Tesla's holding this level so far, respectfully. Nvidia's holding the 220 respectfully. Tesla got a little bull flag pattern too on it. But just be careful, guys. Like I said, the volatility during lunch is a little up and down, so just be careful with that. Alright, SPY, I'm still anticipating this 72. Can we get this squeeze through it? Keep in mind, guys, you're jumping off of the 9 MA right into resistance, so just keep that in mind. So that's why we're anticipating to see it could hold or it could get rejected and come right back down because a little overextended. Why my alert didn't go off? I did have another right there. Did I? And then notice where those tops is at, 72.50. See where those tops is at? Where you ran up, got rejected, 72.50. So put a little spot right here, guys. Right here, 72.50. Right where you got rejected at. Make it price point, make it white. So it stand out. Right there. Alright. Okay. Apple still holding its level. Tesla still holding its level. Nice little bull flag pattern set up on that one. Want to get a little gap up on that one. Got about 3 minutes. Yeah, so type. Watch your 72 right here. Like I said, just be mindful that you may have some sellers sitting right in this little area. Might have some sellers sitting. Apple's, I mean, Nvidia's still holding 220. 220 still holding. Tesla still holding. Time it is 2 minutes till we close out. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Still got an uptrend build on that. Uptrend build on SPY. No, they still got these uptrends. Tesla, here we go. Ramping up a little bit. Right off that level I told you guys. 348. A little bit of a little ramp up. A little bit of a ramp. Moderna, you dirty broad. I'm gonna put an alert up here, guys, right at 72.50. Right on the money. 72.50 on SPY. Right where we at? Right there at those tops. So watch it between 72.50 to 72. Tesla, nice little push. Maybe getting a nice little gap up in about 30 seconds. Let's see. Tesla still ramping. Oh, Moderna, you dirty bro. God dog it. I feel like I said something crawling. That would have been a good scalp on that one too. They're really pulling back. They ain't even give me my 150. They short him. They shortchanged me on that one. It's all good. All right, Tesla guys, they go your gap up. Let's see, can we get that 49.50 up to 350? Let's see, can we get a possible 3 candle bar play to the upside on Tesla? Tesla's the only one that seems like it's holding. Tesla has the #1 spot as far as top gainers at a 3%. Still trying to aim for 350. So there go your bull flag pattern, guys, off of Tesla we just talked about. As long as your 348 held for that reversal right back up. There you go. In the video, we're just anticipating for buyers to step in off this 220. See, can we go for a 220 playoff for that one? And just like I told you guys to watch this area gonna have a lot of resistance. That's why I told you guys to be careful around that 72 on SPY. I told you it wasn't ready just yet because you was already overextended. So I told you to be careful chasing those tops up here. What else we got? PLTR, how we going on that one? Right back above 176. PLTR, still trying to build his way back up. Alright, let's see. I'm just trying to figure everything out for lunch, guys, before 2 o'clock roll in. Just trying to see how he's setting up. PLTR stay above 176. Apple, did we go with Apple still? Apple, we need that. Oh, we need that. Remember, guys, we need that 1760 to 18 on Apple. We need that breakout because we don't want this to turn into a head and shoulders pattern. Because you got a shoulder here, head here. We don't want this same price point now turn into a right shoulder. Need to get that break. Need to turn that bad resistance right into support to get that continuation push to the upside towards that 119 and 120. On your Apple. Man, Moderna missed my trade up. They turned it too quick. I couldn't get my 150. I'm looking so far. Alright, so I need to hurry up on you. Alright, so Apple has a little range to it right here. We're in this little range right here, guys. We're in a little range right here. So let me move this little spot up. Oops. Up here. So we need to break out of this range on Apple. Like I said, the main thing I want to see on the videos is us getting back above that 220. That's the main thing. We want to stay above 220. SPY, you already know. I told you guys resistance with sellers sitting up here, 72. That's why I told you it wasn't ready yet. Not yet. All right. Go back to Tesla. How we looking on Tesla? Still fighting at 348. Okay. I ain't gonna lie, what I wouldn't mind on Tesla team is as long as like get those candles, those red candles to stop right at 348 and then create like a big old bear trap. Do a fake out pullback, buy back up, and then reverse it like hard to the upside. I wouldn't mind that if they would. That's what I would do. Let those red candles come all the way down to 348 and stop them. Like right where we at. What time it is? Oh, we just started this candle. Yep, right where we at. And create like a big bear trap. Trap all those shorts right here. What time? We just opened this candle, huh? Yeah, we just opened it, so we still got some time on this candle. So what I want to see, if Tesla can set it up, guys, is I want to see these candles like just get stuffed right here. Those red candles, where they can't crack through it, where they're gonna just keep them stuff over and over and over. Trap those shorts and then reverse it right back to the upside on them. That's what I wouldn't mind seeing. So what time it is right now? Got about what? It's almost 12, close to 12:30. So crossing over, let me see. So let me see what 12:30 brings us. If we can stop like right here at 12:30. Moderna's still on its bottom. I'm still anticipating a bounce off of that one. I want to see can they bounce back up towards that 150. Yep, I want to see these shorts keep getting stuff right here on Tesla, right at 348. I want to see them keep getting stuff right here. I want that candle to stay right on top of it. Right on top, right on top. Got about 3 minutes left, guys. 3 minutes. We still preventing those shorts from taking this 348 out, so they still getting stuff right here. They're trying, but as long as we can hold them. I want that area to hold. I want it to hold. Alright, there go. Yeah, SPY right back down to that 71.02. So right here, guys, is your red to green move. Green to red move. I'm sorry. Green to red move. That's why when I seen this setup doing this, right into resistance and getting over extended, that's why I was warning you guys, watch that 72, because sellers may be sitting right there. So that's why I was trying to warn y'all ahead of time on that one. I'm gonna take my eyes off Moderna because I'm gonna want to get tunnel vision behind this shit. I'm gonna take my eyes off of it. I'm gonna just put my alerts. I'm gonna get tunnel vision off of this. What's the high? 47.39. All right. So we break that, then I'll look back at it. 47.39. All right. If I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna stress myself out over it. But I'm not gonna get tunnel vision behind it either. All right, 2 more minutes, still holding. 2 more minutes. Tesla bottoms are still holding. 348. 348. SPY has room to fall back down to these bottoms, right towards that 70-ish area, right by it. I'll put an alert on that one, right down to the 70s on that. Still struggling, still trying to pull, still can't get it. Alright, put my alert down towards the 70s, close to it. Tesla, I just want to see this trap commence, because I mean, to me, Tesla still got a lot of room to run. So after this candle closes, got about 30 seconds, almost close to 30 seconds, going into 12:30. trying their hardest to pull it. Nope, I don't think they're gonna get it. Keep holding them, buyers. Keep holding them. Trap them. Don't let them crow. Don't let them go back through it. Don't let them. Don't let them. Don't let them. Don't let them. Don't do it. Don't do it. All right, keep holding them. Keep stuffing them right there. Yep. Keep trapping them. Keep trapping them. Trap them. Trap them. Trap them. Yep. Good job. Good job. 5 seconds. All right, next counter. Gonna try to do the same thing. Little gap down. Right underneath it. This is where the trap should start to commence after this fake out pullback. This is why we just like we talked about. Let's see if we get this fake out pullback. So everything's going according to plan with Tesla right now. Let's see. Let's see. So this is what I want the trap to happen at. After this fake out pullback, buy right back on top of 48. I want them to trap nothing but shorts right here. I want this hard pullback and a huge trap right here. So they did exactly what I wanted them to do. Alright, keep pulling and create a fake, huge fake trap right here. Create the biggest trap. Let me see. Buys need to buy back up though. 348, sorry, 348. Need to buy back up. Oops. Wrong contract. There we go. Buy back up, trap them, trap them, trap them. Alright, buy back up. Come on, buyers. Buy back up, buy back up. Trap looking good. You need to get all the way back up. Come on, come on. Just like we planned it. Just like we planned it. A little fake out, pull back. But yep, there you go. Buy back up, buy back up. Come on, come on. Come on, buyers, come on. Buyers, I need y'all to step in. I need y'all to step in. Yeah, the only other area I can see they can pull all the way back down to is 40, damn near 46, but I don't want them doing that. I mean, we already had pullbacks. Just need to create higher lows. I want to see, can they commence on this trap real quick? After this fake out pullback, can we buy back up? We should be seeing a lower shadow if everything goes according to plan. If the buyers are in. Oh, Moderna, I hate you so much right now. Oh, I hate y'all. I hate y'all. I hate Moderna. Didn't give me my play, and they pulling back too. Oh, I hate y'all. What we got left on this candle? Almost. Come on, buyers. Can y'all create this trap? Can y'all do it? Ah, Moderna messed me up. Video pulling back down towards 218. A lot of pullbacks right now, guys. Like I told you, lunch hours was gonna be tricky. That's why I told you guys, be careful doing lunch. Two minutes, guys. 2 minutes. Can y'all buy back up? If you're in on the put side, I mean, you're good as long as you stay underneath 48. But I was just trying to see if those buyers are going to create this trap right here. I mean, this would have been a perfect opportunity for them to do it after this pullback. And they start to buy right back up before this counter closes. I don't think they're going to... They pushing it, though. They pushing it. She got about 30 seconds. If not, we're going to just fall the reason why I want us to hold above 48, guys, is because that's gonna keep us out of this range. If not, we're gonna fall right back in this range again. Nah, they got about 20 seconds. I don't think they're gonna do it. Nah, we're gonna gap. Look like we're gonna gap down. Yep, back in this range we go then. I was trying to see, can we find, hold out of the range without falling back into it, because I didn't want to see no more damn consolidation. But they messed this up. It's about to gap down. Thought they was gonna do it. They might do it for the. Let me see, because I'm trying to see what they playing, like how they trying to set this up. If not, you're gonna fade all the way back down to these bottoms. Yep, but we all back in this range again, guys. 48 down to that 45 level. We all back in that range again. That's what I didn't want to happen. Having to sit here and watch a range again. Like, ugh. Yep, well, we still got all red candles. Still got all sellers taking place, so, Yep, guess let the sellers have it. Guess they aiming back down for these bottoms again. Moderna in the range is just still. Yeah, I'm not about to play with this range. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait on that one. I'm gonna be patient. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to take off my damn pre-market and post-market on SPY. My bad. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Knew something was off. All right. Sorry. My apologies. Let me see if I see anything else, guys. Let me see. Not holding right now. What about PLTR? I need that 176 again. Amazon underneath 265. Yeah, I don't see no strength right now. Look at y'all still pulling. Yep, I don't see no strength right now. Nope, all turning. All turning. Yep, every single one of them turning. Now, AMD can be a good creeper if buyers step in on it. I mean, that could be a definitely good creeper at these lows. Get that break above 470. I mean, you could definitely get a nice squeeze to the upside if buys once buys do step in it. I'm gonna have to do some more research on it to see. Because I mean, especially in this range, because you already know, guys, what ranges like to do? They like to rotate. So this range is prepping up for something. As long as they can stay, yeah, we get this break above like 470. Get out of this little bottom range. I mean, definitely got some room to run to the upside. Because it's just slowly creeping. But we'll keep it on watch. I'm gonna put a price point at 470 on AMD. So whenever that goes off, I know that buyers are trying to step back in on that one too. But right now, I think that's at the very bottom of the list right now. So it don't have no volatility right now. Or buyers on it. So I got 470. So like I told you guys, even if you have a list like this, even if the stock is in the red, don't take your eyes off on it, because whether it's Nvidia, AMD, Tesla, no matter what it is, those could be good buying opportunities because you have some lows for the possible move back up. That's a good thing. So even if you see them at the bottom and it's lighting up in red, still don't take your eyes off on it. Don't ignore it, because again, you could be around some bottoms where buyers can see a bargain opportunity to run it right back up, possibly the next day or even after that, where AMD could actually become the top gainer. So I mean, so don't never sleep on that. But I'm gonna look at the daily and see how it's setting up on that, to see what we need on AMD, because it's prepping up for something. I mean, it's definitely prepping up. I mean, it got like a little uptrend build, so AMD is definitely prepping for something. So it definitely got like a little uptrend to it. It's prepping up for something. Even though it's at the bottom of the list in the like -3s, it's definitely prepping. But like I said, once I'm gonna wait to see can we get that break above 470, and I'm gonna see how much higher can we go on it. Let me put it back on Tesla. I'm gonna take a look at AMD real quick. Take a look at the daily. Yep, Tesla, like I said, guys, back in that range. Bottoms is all the way back down towards that 46 to 45, so it may just be rotating right back on down. So not yet. SPY, same thing. Let me matter of fact, let me make a duplicate copy and take off those colors off because I know it's a little annoying. I apologize for that. Let me make a duplicate copy. Yeah, let me save it. Put 2 so I can just take off the colors real quick. All right, so y'all can see that a little bit better. The range where we in right now, and areas that we need to break for the upside, and areas you need to crack for the downside. So you can see where the bottoms is. If we do crack, you can see where your bottoms are. Back down towards the 69.50s, down to the 68.11s. So these 2 specific areas on the downside, and then you see the 2 specific areas on the upside. So 72s back up to that 73.50, up to that 73.41. Now, while 73.41, that played a major role. That's like a pivot point. I might have to use my 1 hour on that one real quick. Let me go to my 1 hour so y'all can see it. 73.50, 73.50. Why is that important? Let's see. Let's go back a little bit. 73.50, 73.50. What is that area? Because I know that area had held. Was that the top of this one? Was that? Yeah, I think that was okay. That was last about 2 weeks ago. So that was that high day towards the close. All right, and then you can kind of see how it plays around it. 73.41, 73.41, you lose it, then you find your way back around it, you lose it, then you find your way back around it. so it does play a major key. So it does play like a little major key. And I think I had it marked off on my daily time frame too, on why that area is so important. Because once you got above that 73.41, you can clearly see even right here. That was last Thursday. Last Thursday, it ricocheted, went on a huge catapult from pre-market into intraday, all the way up towards 779. So you can see on how important that level is. So that's why we need that price point too. Just like I told you guys for Tesla, what was that area you needed? Was 342.11. Right here, 342.11. And look on, like again, look how crazy those buys went. They saw exactly what I seen. Look how aggressive those candles got. Cause look underneath. Look how small the candles was. They wasn't aggressive, but then once you start to approach that 42.11, look how more aggressive those green candles got. And then once you got above it, buys went absolute crazy. So I told you, psychological areas. So they saw exactly what I seen. I brought this to you guys' attention. All right, there you go, mRNA, waking back up again. Get out of this range, shit. You drive me crazy. It's driving me nuts with that range. So we already know what that key area is. So we already broke above what we needed. Now turning what? So resistance now into possible what? Support. So if we were to get a hard pullback down on Tesla, you already know what they're aiming for. 72.11. But now we can possibly use it for support. Just keep that in mind. What they could do is fall out of this range, down to this bottom, buy up, back in that range for the reversal. Because you already know, guys, ranges love to rotate. Tried to break out of the range, fell right back in that range. So if they go for a lower rotation out of that range, this could be a buying opportunity for them to reverse it back into that range for either the next day or Friday. So, in other words, I'll draw it out. In other words, guys, I can see something like this to this nature where we already have our range, where we can fall down, now towards these little areas where buyers can step in, like right here, start to buy back up, get right back in that range, and then go for that upside, something like that. So I could see something like that. They could do it. I mean, it's a possibility because the VWAP is all the way down this way, where they could come out of this range, rotate down right towards this breakout area that we needed, where they can now use it for support and a possible buying area. and then start to reverse it back. I mean, if I mean they could do that. It's a possibility. If they come out of this range on the downside, I mean, you lose that 45 on down. I can see that, which could be a better buying opportunity versus that range. That's what I'm saying. So, if they so happen to sell us off, this could be a good bouncing opportunity right back up that way. So it's a possibility. We'll see. Because they didn't hold a 48, so obviously they're going for something lower. Which is, like I said, that'd be even better. So, wouldn't be a bad thing. It would actually be a good thing. Alright guys, SPY still coming on down. Still coming on down towards these bottoms. Right down towards that 770. Right down to my 50 moving average. Right to it. Almost. Now I gotta keep in mind, guys, we're underneath the VWAP. Crossing over to the bearish side of that. So keep that in mind. So now, 9 times out of 10, sellers may move down towards the 770-50 area right here. But now they're going to try to block them. Because now they got the VWAP on their side too. So that means that if SPY doesn't get this way back up, we could see another leg down coming. On SPY, even lower. So gear up for that. So that could give you a 2-legged pullback on this one. So gear up for the short side. Down to right towards this area. Right down towards 770. Yep, so Tesla, like I said, if Tesla gonna do that, then I mean, I wouldn't mind that. A hard drop down this way, I wouldn't mind that. I mean, it's a win-win situation because shorts can, make their bread on the downside going down, and then buys can make their bread going back to the upside. I mean, I don't see nothing wrong with that. Come out of this range, nice little rotation down, then rotate back into that range, and then start to reverse back up. So if that's what they're gonna do, let the sellers have it. Then let them sell it off. Let them drop it. Let them drop it even lower. And there go. I told y'all guys what mRNA was heading for. I told y'all patience pays off. What I told y'all. What I told y'all they was aiming for. Didn't I say 150? Patience, baby. Look at that. Shout out to Primo calling that out too. Look at this. Boom. Where we at? 148. That's why I told you guys. Patience. And I saw that range. Anytime I see a range, I back away from it. Because I had to learn. Because I used to get caught in, you can do quick scalps, but if you have a small account or, where you're not getting a lot, don't do that. Just wait for big opportunities. So that's why I was saying, that's why I was being patient to see if they're going to play off the VWAP. Right back up towards that 150. I just sat there waiting. That's why I said it kept driving me nuts. But yeah, they finally pushed it. So cool. That can work. That can work. Yeah, it was driving me nuts with that crap. But they finally did it though. Now, like I said, if Tesla's gonna do what I think it's gonna do, then after this little area here, this little small little consolidated area where they need to let the sellers take out that 45 area here, this bottom, and let them drop it down to the VWAP all the way down, back down to the breakout area, because that can now be a good possible buying opportunity. So, I wouldn't mind that. That would be, again, I'll take that. None of my alerts went off, so no. And I got them set up for the buys, so no alerts went off yet. So that means that none of the markets have picked back up yet, not yet. So like I said, for Tesla, now that you lost these two indicators, the 9 and the 20, let's see, can we go for a gap fill down towards these indicators, towards the VWAP and the 50. So let's just see, can we get a nice little flush from this area all the way down to these bad boys. So that should put us down towards what, 344, down to roughly 342s. So if that's what they're gonna do, I'm with it. All right, how many candles we got now with Moderna? 2 candle bar play. What time is candle close out? Right in about 1 minute. So we should get what, 1 more candle bar play. So is Primo still on? Or did I close it? Primo, we are around at 150, so you think it's almost that time? We almost to it, about almost $1.50 away from that 150. After this next counter comes in, what you think, Primo? Finally getting it though. Man, I was sitting here waiting for the longest on mRNA to go for that pushback up. And I'll show you guys for example. I told you right here on mRNA. I was waiting for that push right back at the 150. Boom. SPY 770. All right, back down you go. Same thing I'm expecting for Tesla to go for another pullback on that one. Moderna after this 150. I want to see after this candle pushes. That's what I'm waiting on. Let's see, can I attack it? I'm just patiently waiting this out. What is that? 150. What is these tops right here on these upper shadows? What is this? What is that? 150.66. So I'm still anticipating to still push one more time. Then I'm gonna try, guys. I'm gonna try it. So I'm gonna anticipate one more push. Then I think it should be it. Alright. And what I told you guys on the downside, next level on down is gonna be 69.50 on SPY. 69.50. And Tesla. Oh, I set it up wrong, my bad. I'm about to say, what the hell, we ain't hit it yet. Why my thing just went on? There we go. Alright, there we go. Alright, now we want to take this area here. Turn that bad boy into possible resistance. As long as you stay underneath, under the depth floor. No longer support, as long as you stay underneath this area. You want to go for the next leg down. I told you, bad boy setting for a possible two-legged pullback. Two-legged pullback was setting up. All right, come on, Moderna. Oh, come on, last counter. What time it is? 3 minutes, baby. 3 minutes, 3 minutes. There you go. Ooh, squeeze it. Let me see how they look. Come on. It's gonna be a little risky. Little risky biscuits. Like what's his name? I would say risky biscuits. All right, let me see. I'm gonna take you. One more push, right to it. Alright, and I'm gonna set you up for Tesla too. I got my Moderna contract set, and let me get my Tesla contract set as well for, I might push it out a day out. Nah, 2 days. 2 days would be fine. Just in case that bad boy ramps up, I can just ride it. I'm gonna pick this one. Alright, there go Moderna pushing. Alright, right up to that level. Alright, could this be it? Jesus, I'm nervous. I'm nervous as hell. Alright. Alright, let me see if they're gonna let me get in though. Let me see if they're gonna let me buy the damn thing. Damn, buy in my way. Move. Out my way. Get out my way. Move your little. Still squeezing up. Up. It's 52. Alright, let's see. How much high this bad boy will keep squeezing? Still squeezing. Holy crap. Moderna's squeezing, guys, like crazy. Jesus. I'm trying to. Man, much more they gonna keep squeezing this damn thing? Are they gonna blow past 52 or this is it? Yeah, look like they trying to squeeze even higher. What the funk? Guys, I told you Moderna was gonna squeeze. I told y'all. Look what Moderna doing. I thought I was lying on that, huh? About that 150 push. What I told y'all. what I told you that bad boy could do. Insane. Oh God. I'm gonna do it. I don't care. All right, 6. I'll take it. I'm gonna just take a little risk. I mean, it may hold. We'll see. I'm just going with a small position. I'm just testing it. Just want to see what it's gonna do. Apple below 314.81. Like I said, guys, don't do what I'm doing. I know it's a little risky. Don't do what I'm doing. I'm just trying to see something. That's just one area I want to try to. If I can add another one, I'll do it. What can I add? How many more can I add? One more. Just in case it takes off again. That's one top. See why I didn't want to go for puts down here? I'd have got, bro, I blew my account up. I'd have blew, what? That account would have blew the hell up on that. I'd have been in deep waters on that. I'd have blew the shit out of my account. That'd have been bad. Wouldn't have been good. I'll tell you that. Wouldn't have been good at all. Would have been a bad idea for that one. That's just one. Let me see. Could I want to see what I want to do. Could I keep this area or could I just see if it's gonna go even higher? Cause I can still break even just to readjust myself just to see. I'm still trying to pull. I'm trying to see, guys, cause like I said, this area kind of dangerous. So like I said, don't do what I'm doing. Don't do what I'm doing. Don't do it. Don't do it. I want to see what they about to do. Cause I want it. Cause now that they up here, I wonder if they're gonna go for 55. I mean, we got past that 150 I wanted, but I wonder if they're gonna go a little bit higher than that. I'm just trying to see what they're gonna do. Cause I could readjust it again, break even, and just readjust myself. See, can I go a little bit higher without missing this shit? Let me see what we're gonna do, guys. Let me see. Cause I want to say they're gonna push to 55. Could they do it? If so, I could lower it down one more time. Just want to see what they can do right here. If they're gonna flip it. I think so. Let me. I'm trying to debate what I want to do right now. I know we're still fighting it. I know we're still fighting. I think they may try to squeeze it up towards 55. Possibly. Possibly. What contracts I had set for this? What's this data for? Okay. I was to make sure I had enough room, that I didn't have no 0 DT. I just want to make sure I was good on it. Alright. What contracts I had on this? puts. There we go. How many? I mean, they got some good volatility on that one. Minus 5,000. Oh god, it's a tough area where I'm at. I just want to see what it's gonna do. I mean, I'm gonna see what it's about to do. I see. Cause I could add one more though. I could add one more after this just to see. Oh god. What you gonna do? All right, pulling back. All right, cool. You better not set a bull flag on me. You better not set a bull flag on me right now. You better not set a bull flag on me. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Cause I don't know why my conscience is telling me 155. I'm just I don't know why my conscience is saying 155, but I just want to see. Because if everything goes according to plan, then we need to fall back underneath 150. They would need to fall back underneath 150, but if they hold it, then I might have to readjust it for even higher. I'm just trying to play it smart right now. Oh boy, it's nerve-wracking right here. It's definitely nerve-wracking right here where I'm at. I'm in a nerve-wracking area right now. We'll see though. We'll see. Okay. Alright, 150. Crack it though. I need you to crack it. Don't you hold 150. Crack that 150. Crack it. Don't you set up no bull flag on me. Don't you do it. Don't set up no bull flag. Don't do it. Don't do it. Please don't do it. Don't you dare do it. Don't you dare. I just break even and wait for, like, again, a higher price point. I ain't gonna lose nothing. I just break even. But I was just trying to hold it to see if if it was gonna move. Cause it's put me in a position, because I'm like, what about if I get out and it drops? But what up at bottom, it pops. So that's the position that got me in right now. I'm like, I think it's gonna do a bull flag on me. I just need you, man, sellers, if y'all can just take out 150, please, take out 150. They bull flagging on me. I think they bull flagging on me. It's a tough area. That's why I went in with a small position, guys. I just wanted to just see. Like I said, that's why I wasn't risking a lot, just to see. Just to see what it's gonna do at this 150. Could we catch a 150 pull after this run up? But like I said, if they push, I'm going to just break even and I'm going to just set up for even higher. That's all I'm going to do. Because I'm not in a bad position. But I do want to hold it if sellers do step in and yank them. But if they spike back up, I got to break even and wait for the next possible higher level. I'm in a tough-ass area right now. I'm at the tops. I don't want them breaking through the tops. I want them to stay right where they at and then pull back. Oh, I put myself in a crazy predicament right here. I'm at a break even. Yep, I'm break even. I'm breaking. God damn it. Yeah, I'm gonna wait higher then. Shoot. 30. Alright. Now the reason why I was anticipating right here, I saw that bull flag pattern and I was like, ugh. That's why I had a feeling it was gonna do that. That's why I had to break even. Alright, I'm gonna let him push higher. Nah, that ain't it. So I broke even. I broke even. I broke even. So they're gonna go higher. I was trying it. I ain't gonna lie, I was trying it just to see. So I'm gonna let them go higher. Boy. I was trying. See, it's a good thing I got out. See, that's why I saw that bull flag pattern setting up. I was like, nah. I saw that. I was like, nope. Yep, I saw that setup. That's why I bailed out. I had to go with my conscience. Just something told me it was gonna go higher than that, 55 plus. So I had to let it go. Let it go. So I had to go with my instincts, man. I couldn't be selfish and stupid. So went to think about it, guys. What about if I still would have been holding? See that bull flag pattern on mRNA? Look at that. So that's why I broke even. It didn't work. All right, let them push up higher. Cool. I'll take the next one. So it's not it. It's not it. Where I got in at wasn't it? Nope. So I tried it. So that's why I had to have a discipline. Now we up to what? 155. So I had to have a discipline behind it. I didn't go against the grain. That's why I had to have a good entry, so therefore I can break even, don't lose anything, wait for the next setup. So imagine if I was trying to short down here, count blown up, held that short, went against me. See? That's why it's not it. That's why I was like, nah, let it go. I was trying though. I was trying for it. At least y'all know I was trying, but it wasn't it. I'm gonna let them push back up towards those highs then. Back to the highs it is. So what I'm anticipating this time, guys, is I'm gonna wait for them to see it. I'm gonna wait for these tops up here. It's the next safest level. Next safest level. So just go ahead and let them push to the upside. Now, why did I jump in this area? Because I thought it was going to utilize this little bottom or this little area here that's going to hold up for like resistance and reverse it. But I was like, nope. It's still too stronger buyers to do it. I was like, nah. Because one thing that, again, I noticed was the 3 candle bar play, of course. And then I saw that bull flag pattern right here. I was like, I think they're going for another leg up. That's why I bailed out. Like, It's a good thing I went with my conscience on that one. Yep, so they're still trying to build their way back to these highs. I'll just let them do that then. I'll let them have it. That's all good. All right, I'll bring that back up when we get back to it again. So let me go back to what we was looking at. NVIDIA, was it? In Tesla? NVIDIA and Tesla? I think that's what we're looking at. Yep, I tried it, guys. I tried it. I really did. I really tried my hand at it. It was like, nope. And I can show y'all the proof. Y'all know I don't never hold nothing from y'all, a lot of y'all. So I mean, I ain't lose nothing. Just wasn't the time to go for the short just yet. Just wasn't the time. Open the rectangle MRA. mRNA. Wow, see? Now you see how one line. See? So I ain't lose nothing. It just wasn't the time to short it. So at least y'all know I one line. Just wasn't the time, man. I'll let the buyers have it. But once those sellers come back in, I'm clobbering the shit out. I'm gonna attack it with a vengeance. Caught that first one. We had that first drop. I mean, that one. But I'm trying to wait for the second drop. Wait for the second one. So let me see. I don't think this was gonna be as hard though. Cause already, I mean, I think this first one was the hardest drop, and I think they're gonna try to build like a higher low from this point. I mean, from 160 back down to 150 is still $10, so it's still not bad. I mean, $10 back down. I mean, it's still good. It's still decent. Yeah, I'll wait for him to push it back up to the 160s. Then I'll try it again. I'll try my hand at it once again. We'll see. We'll see. So I'm gonna set an alert on. I mean, I know we're close to 155 already. I'll set an alert at 155 just to give me heads up on that one. And then close to 160, I'll put it. Alright. Alright, 155 to 160. So I'm gonna put 2 alerts. I'm gonna try it again though. I'll try again. Now the reason why I'm aiming for puts, you know, I mean, especially that since that $100 move already happened, you know, now that the upside has happened, now I want to play the downside because I feel like I already missed the front part of the move. I'm trying to catch the back end of this bad boy. I'm trying to nail. I'm trying to figure out the tops. I'm trying to nail it because I mean it's some good profits. I mean shit, $10, damn, from 10 to 20 almost. So if they can re-break above 55 up to 60s, I'll look again. So all right, let me put my focus back on everything else now. I thought it was it. I ain't gonna lie, guys. I thought it was it. I was trying. I mean, I was. I waited for those 3 candles to form, and I was saying that we was gonna fall back underneath 150, but nope, 150 held. So you gotta keep that in mind. 150 has held. So now I feel 150 is support on MRNA. So you got to look at it in that situation. So once you go back to this chart right here, guys, you got to take that into consideration. Now that we're above 155, now that we're above 150, you got to keep that in mind. Now that's going to be support, possible support if we get a pullback down to it. So what are we doing now? Aiming towards where? Back to 160. So all I'm going to do is wait for the buyers to go towards where the sellers are located. So I tried my hand around the 150. I noticed the bull flag pattern, so you got to keep that in mind. This area here is going to be what? At this moment, support until we crack back underneath what? 150. So I got to mark that off, and then I got to mark up these highs up here, which is that 160.72. All right. All right. So think of your range from here up to here. So that's how you have to look at it. I tried it in there right here. I thought it was going to get rejected and pull back. I need 150 back down, but when I saw this setup, I bailed out. I was like, nah. Let me listen to my conscience telling me to get the hell out because they could push up higher. And what did they do? Push up higher. So I bailed the hell out. I saw that. I saw it. So I got to also understand your patterns. When you got a pattern right in front of you, you got to pay attention to it and you got to respect it. Especially if you got strong green candles like that. Because think about it. If you merge those 3 green candles together, what do you have? One engulfing green candle, right? Followed by a small red candle. That's a what? Setting up for a possible bull flag. So it may show it. Let me see. Let me look at my 15-minute time frame on my side to see if it shows it. If you merge those 3 candles together. Nah. It is, nah. Still looking like 3 green candles. I thought it was going to merge it. Never mind. What about a 30? 30? Nah, because like I said, what caught my attention was because I saw a bull flag on a 5-minute and I saw a bull flag on the 1 hour. So even if I go to the 1 hour time frame, you still see a bull flag pattern. See, look. If I go to it. So that's why I was kind of a little antsy about it, you know, trying to attack it right there because I saw it on a 1 hour time frame. I saw it right there setting up. I was like, look at your 1 hour. Still got bull flags. Bull flags. Still trying to push up towards those highs. So that's why I'm going to just wait it out until we push back up towards some higher areas. Shit, the way this is setting up, they may go towards possible 165 to 170. To be honest. I mean, I know it's way overbought even on the 1 hour time frame, but they don't care. They still pushing it. So think they really could give a damn about the RSI even on the 1 hour? Nope. They still going hard. They still pushing it. They don't care about no RSI right now. They care less about that. How we looking on the daily? Are we overextended? Oh yeah, we even way overbought on a daily time frame. so. That's why I'm just waiting this out to see. Because it's way overbought. That's why I'm just waiting on it. I'm being patient about it. Let's see how much higher can this damn thing go before that initial sellers attack this damn thing. Because I mean, I can show y'all even on the daily, guys. I mean, it's overbought even on the daily. So y'all saw it overbought on the 1 hour time frame. You're definitely overbought on the daily time frame. So go to the daily. Look at that RSI. Look at that. Look where we at. We all until a 91 on the RSI. Look at this. So that's why I'm waiting it out to see exactly, you know, when to attack it. That's why I'm being patient, because they bought it all the way back up, and I'm waiting at these highs here. And again, confirmation, we way overextended, way overbought. So I know it's coming. I'm just trying to set this up properly. I know it's coming. I know it's coming. I know. I'm just trying to. I think that I jumped in too early on that one. I think that's what messed me up. I jumped in too early. So wait on the next one. All right, put it back to my 5-minute time frame. Let's see what we got. All right, I'll let you guys know when I'm gonna try to do it again. I'll let you guys know, because I mean, what time it is? I mean, they could go for one more push at 2, and then we may see a turn. Because, I mean, I know we got the FOMC meeting minutes coming out. I mean, that could add some volatility where they could utilize 2 o'clock to push. So I might have to wait till 2. Yeah, I might have to wait till 2. So just to let them go ahead and buy it up. Buy it up, buy it up, buy it up. And then once we hit those areas, then I'm going to try to attack it one more time. I'm going to try to attack it one more time. So right now we're at 157. So we're about $3 away from 160. How we looking on SPY? SPY was still off that 69.50. Tesla 1882 bottoms right here so far. No, it's Nvidia. I'm sorry. Nvidia 118.82. Sorry. Tesla was still in this range again, going sideways. So nothing yet on that one. Nothing yet on that one. Sideways. Nvidia then came back down to its secondary bottoms right here. Watch that. SPY right down towards the 69.50 here. Now watch these seller bottoms to see. And remember, you gotta get back on top of this 70 10-ish area right here, because you gotta turn this back into support. So what you don't want to see is the bounce up, just turn it to resistance, and then you go right back down. That's what you don't want to see. Jesus. Boy, mRNA is just holy crap. It's just, and I want that short so fucking, you know, y'all don't realize how bad I want this, because I can imagine the nice pullback on that. That's why I'm saying the higher I go, the better for a pullback on it. That's why I'm like, we're already away from 150. All right, let's go up into the 160s. Up, 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 up it goes. So we're about $3 away from 160. Once again, high of day is 163.47. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna wait for it. I'm gonna wait on it. So like I said, guys, lunch hours, just keep your hands off. Just chill out. Just wait for 2 o'clock. Wait for the FOMC meeting minutes to come out. Only thing I'm trying to do right now is prep. I mean, I tried to see about, you know, I was gonna fall back underneath 150, but that didn't hold. So waiting for the next higher price point up above 150. So, and we're above 155. So I gotta wait for the higher price point above that, which is gonna be about 160 to roughly 165. So that'll be my next possible target there, is up to attack it. So about 160 up to 165, somewhere in that bracket. So I'm gonna be patient. I'll wait it out to attack it again. Now we cracked this area on Nvidia. Your bottoms, let's see. I mean, your bottoms all the way you started. I mean, you came down as low as 116. I mean, I can see 118 if we don't hold this area and we keep fading, especially with SPY look like it's about to do. Look like it's about to go for an indicator squeeze down. So it look like it's about to do right underneath that what is that, 69.50? That's what it looked like it's about to set up to do. Same thing with Tesla. I'm still anticipating that pull all the way back down towards that 345. Back down that way. Because like I told you, your old breakout zone is all the way down towards 342. Remember I told you guys this. Where your main area is, it's all the way back down this way. So just be patient, guys. Just be patient. I'm trying to watch to see if I see any good setups or anything. Right now, just still seeing fade. Still seeing fade right now. Nah, mRNA, you better not. No. Oh, okay, they setting up another bull flag. Okay, right at 155. So they set up another one, possibly 155 up. So it look like another bull flag they're trying to set up for. Let me see. I see what they're doing. They just trying to slowly creep their way up without getting no interruptions. I see what they're doing. Slowly creeping up. Kind of like that setup I told you guys about on SPY. Whenever you see that little that setup where it's hard to pull back on it, that's where you get stuck in those bear traps. And I almost got stuck in it on mRNA. Almost. If it wasn't for me seeing that bull flag pattern, that's why I got the hell out of it. That's why I bailed out. I saw that. I was like, nah. Right now, it's just consolidation, and you're cracking right underneath the 79.50s. If you're on the put side, next level down. Let's see. I'll give it about 85, 68.50, roughly 68.50 down. Right back down to that 68.11. I'll give it that. On that note. Down to these two specific areas down this way with SPY. Right to my 68.11. Oops. Alright, so I got two alerts on the downside, and we get to go for that heavy, hard pullback coming up soon. Because your true bottoms is all the way back down towards 67 again. That's what your true bottoms is. So from here, if this sells off, I mean between these three price points on down. From those three price points. So there you go. And you can still ride it. As long as you, like I said, as long as those you hold, play the downside. Don't go against the grain. Go with the momentum. Go with the momentum. I know we got these little small key areas here. I know we got this little area down in this area. That's pretty much down towards my 68.50 pretty much. Okay. What time it is? 3 minutes. We want to see a possible 3 counter bar play down. Because you got 1, 2, and then we want to get this counter to close close to the 69 where we get this further fade down this way. Tesla still waiting on that pullback. Like I told you guys, we was going to rotate down towards the bottom of that range. Like I told y'all. Yeah, I could have jumped on SPY, but I was messing with mRNA. I was trying to, I thought it was it. I was about to attack it. Played around with that stupid stock. Alright, let me see. Okay. And like I said, and if you don't want to trade, if you want to wait till 2, wait till 2. We don't have to trade it. We don't want to get caught in all of this and just wait on, volatility to step back in. It's just your choice and what you guys want to do. You don't have to trade right now. You just wait it out. Just get all your lines in place, understand what stocks you're looking at, understand the setups to each stock, and then just wait for volatility, whether you're on the long side or the short side. So yeah, I'm gonna wait till 2. I'm gonna keep my hands off. I'm gonna keep my hands off for the time being. The only one I was attacking was mRNA because it was moving the direction I wanted it to go, because I seen volatility moving in it, but it's still going strong. So I just didn't want to go against the grain. I just let it go. So I'm waiting for another push to the upside on that bad boy up towards 160. We may go up towards possibly 165 now with this build up we have. It's a possibility it could go higher than that previous high of day that we just had, which was 163.47. So I'll wait it out. I'll be patient. So just get everything in order, guys. Go through all your stocks. Just figure the setup. Understand your setups. and go from there. But yeah, my hands is off. I mean, after mRNA, I'm gonna chill on it. I'm gonna wait. Like I said, I'm gonna wait probably after 2 o'clock because we may get some. The way it's setting up, we may get some more bullish volatility as 2 o'clock rolls in, where this bad boy could push up higher towards possibly 165 to 170. It's a possibility. We'll see though. So I'm gonna keep my hands off for the time being. I ain't gonna go against the grain right now. Spy, little gap down underneath this floor. Anything else?
Hey Jay, this is Kevin. Sorry, I was a little busy in the morning, but when did you enter mRNA?
Oh, I took the put. I caught the tops right at 163.
Okay.
Yeah, I caught that first. Let me go to it real quick, boss. Hold on. Let me go to my mRNA. So, yeah, after this move was made this morning, let me go back this way. Come on, Troy. Yeah, so what I did was, and me and Primo did, after Hardware now went up to the upside, me and Hardware was calling out the area that was going to possibly push up to, which was 150, 160. So I waited for once we blew past 150, the next level I had intended was 160. So I waited around this area, and that's why I attacked it for the move back down. So I caught the 160s. And look like
calls?
Huh?
Did you ever buy calls on the upside?
No. I didn't buy calls. No, I didn't take it. Yeah, I wanted to pull back, and I'm waiting. I'm anticipating another one coming. I'm letting them buy back up right into that resistance again, so I'm waiting on it. But no, I haven't taken calls because especially with the contracts being so pricey now. Yeah, because the puts was pretty cheap, so that's why I went for it. So, and plus, since I missed the front side of the move, I was going to wait for the backside. Because once we ran up, I knew we was going to anticipate a pull back down because we was already overextended. Which we, even based off the 1 hour time frame and a daily, you still overextended. If you look at your daily, you're like in the 90s. Like a 91 something. It probably went up even higher than that just now. Let me see. mRNA, where we at right now as far as the RSI? We are, where we at right now? Right now we are sitting at it's still at 91. Still sitting at 91. So it's still overbought, like way overbought. So that's why I'm just letting them run it up, run it right into resistance. I'm gonna just let them have it. Did you jump in on the call, Kev?
I was in and out. I was busy with my business. I have a liquor store.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're good. Yeah. Let me see. Key area was 150. Got back above 150. It ran up towards 156. I mean, you could have caught $6 on that one.
Are you planning to short it again?
Yep.
When it hits resistance?
Oh yeah, it's overbought, oversold. I mean, look at your daily time frame. Look how high in the air it is. Look how much room it could fall if it don't hold. Look at that daily. Tell me if I'm lying. Look how much room it has to fall when push comes to shove. When they start to sell their positions. It's way overbought. It's like a 91 on the RSI. So yeah, I mean, to me, all the buys out the way. So yeah, I'm definitely looking for anticipating shorts. I'm just waiting it on out. 160 up. Oh, I'm waiting on it. Oh, I'm definitely waiting. And Apple was a good trade this morning. I called that out. The bull flag pattern on where's Apple at? Apple. There we go. Yeah, I called that one out this morning. I mean, that was a beautiful play. I mean, right here, I called right at this pullback. I told everybody watch that 311.80 to 312, and that's when that bad boy ripped up. I mean, those contracts went from like 5 cents up to like damn near $6. So yeah, that was a good opportunity.
Everyone's out of Apple now, right?
Huh?
Everyone is out of Apple now.
Yes, sir. Everyone's out of Apple at this moment. Right now, everybody's anticipating the FOMC meeting minutes at 2 o'clock. So that's why a lot of people sitting on their hands waiting for that to see what's going to take place. So yeah, Apple came all the way back down to 314. Like I said, at 2 o'clock we're going to see what type of volatility is going to take place, whether we get a bounce or a continuation sell-off. So I'm just watching and waiting. mRNA, I'm still waiting on that 160. I'm still waiting on that. I'm waiting on some more extensions. Cause I'm playing the downside of that bad boy. I mean, because if you think about it, Kev, even if like we run up and we catch a pullback, let's just say for example 160 down to 150, that's a $10 pullback. So that's why I say I'll let it push it up. The higher the better for me. So because that's why I got my green line in place, because now 150 could be considered support. So even as they go up to 160, 165, we get a hard pullback, we're gonna have 155 back down to possibly 150. So I'll take that. I definitely will take it. Yeah, because I'm not chasing these tops. Oh no, 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 no. Come on, guys. I want to see if they're going to bounce off that 155 and then finish it up. Go for a possible $10 push up to 65. I want to see can they do it. That'll be a good little $10 movement. 155 to 165 be a good $10 up. Then I can catch them. Yeah, that thing too overbought. I am not risking that. Oh, no, no. If I would have known, I ain't gonna lie, Kev, if I would have known yesterday that what it was prepping for going into today, oh, I would have, because the bottoms on mRNA yesterday was $60. It was flatlining right at 60. And then everybody woke up to like, you know, the stock up to like $100. Yep, bottom, yep, right around, yep, 62. Yep, and then next thing you know, they got a huge jump. Now, if I would have caught that, yeah, I'd have been fine. Shit, but this thing been already way in the air like this, yeah, that's, nah. No, I don't trust that when it's too far up. It already made its move. So now, since I done missed the front end of the move, I'm waiting for the back end. Yeah, me and Primo was in it this morning on the short side. Alright, so we still got Apple holding this 315, 314.80 level, guys. Holding these bottoms. You already know we got to get back above 316.29 to that 317.60. We want to get that nice reversal, guys. Notice the range. From these tops where you fell from, 317.60 all the way down as low as 314.50. And look at what the curl. Look at what the buys are trying to do. They're trying to curl their way back up. So these are two important areas that you need to get back on top of with Apple. You need that 316.29. I'm gonna put an alert, and at 317.60. So target number 1 and target number 2. That's what you need on the upside if you want to play it long. And 60. SPY still looking a little weak, still fading. Just going sideways. Just a little bit. Let's see. Come on, mRNA. Come on. I know. Keep pushing. Is that all-time high, as a matter of fact? I don't think. Is it? Oh, I'm on the wrong. Let me go to the daily. I don't think that's all-time highs. Oh, no. Where did mRNA fall from? What was the all-time highs on this damn? Oh, damn. It was in a what? Oh, damn near 500. Oh. Okay, so the high, all-time high is 497.49. Alright, let me see. Where we at right now? Gapped all the way up to where? Oh, okay, so we ride this. So I got 170 up to almost 200. So I wonder if they're gonna continue to push it and then drop it, or will we get rejected right at that area? So it's two specific areas, Kev. I see that roughly almost up to 175 to almost 200. I'm gonna watch those two areas to see that those sellers gonna hold them right underneath those areas as we push back up. Let me see, because where we at right now, 160. Let me see how much higher they're gonna keep pushing. Let's see. So I'm gonna wait it out, guys. I'm gonna wait it out. We're almost to 160. Almost. Come on, mRNA. Keep squeezing it. Keep squeezing it. Keep squeezing. Keep squeezing. Keep squeezing. Might as well finish it. Yeah, already up this high. You might as well finish it out. Damn, I wish I would have caught that yesterday. God dang it. And remember, guys, don't sleep on AMD either. Remember, I mean, I know right now it's looking a little weak. I mean, it's still, like I said, I know right now we're in this little bottom range right now. Like I said, once we get above that 170, I mean, buyers can step in on that one. That's why I forgot to check the daily on that. So the crack still looking a little weak, still in this range, all the way down to what, 6250. Move this down this way. 70s down to the 6250. Let me see how much higher AMD can keep falling. What would be some good lows on that one? Let's see, AMD. Oh, no wonder. Okay. That's why it's fading. Alright, that makes sense. Alright, mark off these top level here. And where's that midsection at? Right, probably, yep, right where we at. Yep, I see it. I see what AMD's doing, so it looked like more downside can possibly occur. Yep, look like we're making some more downside the way I'm looking at it on this daily. Down towards the 150s. So it might keep fading. Yeah, that thing, yeah, it look horrible. The setup, I mean, it's choppy. Even on the daily, it's choppy. But that thing is, yeah, it's definitely fading. Ran up as high as almost $600 and then been fading all the way back down to like 460s. Yeah, because the only true area I seen where you had strong bounces at was damn near 400. Yeah. Yep, never mind right now on AMD. The way this is setting up, yeah, the way it looked, yeah. The only thing that could help that out is that 470. From what I'm looking at, yep. Never mind right now. Yep, AMD, yeah. Look like more fade can happen on that one. So, Apple guys are starting to curl back up on Apple. So keep that on watch. Alright, back to mRNA. What we doing? Still nothing on you yet, huh? Yeah, so mRNA, AMD guys, don't worry about that right now. Till we get back above 470. Other than that, I think we got some more fading coming down on that one. So don't worry about AMD unless you're playing the short side. What we looking at? Oh, Tesla. How we looking on Tesla? Still in his range, huh? Still in his range. On that one, Apple's curling back up from the 314s back up to the 315.50s. So that's curling back to the upside. That must have been a little scalp on that one. Yeah, we almost there, guys. 20 minutes till 2. 20 minutes till FOMC meeting minutes come out. And we'll see where we go from here. SPY, we're just gonna use these areas real quick, kind of understand the range that we're in at this moment. Take these tops up here, that'll be a supply zone, and then we'll take these bottoms down here for the demand zone, back down roughly this way. So far this is what I see, guys. I see the bottoms, the true bottoms, all the way back down this way on SPY. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Alright, and your tops up here, that'll be a supply zone. Yeah, Kev, man, if only we would have known about mRNA yesterday, we could have jumped in early and been waking up till damn near $100 to our name.
Yeah, he didn't call it out, right?
No, I mean that's what I'm saying. I didn't hear him say anything about it.
Yeah.
Unless he didn't want to say anything, you know, well, not to us. Unless he didn't want to say it out loud in order to prevent manipulation, maybe why they was in it. Maybe that's probably why they did that. But no, he didn't say anything. I didn't hear nothing.
Yeah. I guess he said it was high risk or something.
All right, so guys, this is your range so far with SPY, and so far. Tops where the sellers coming in at, and your bottoms where you had your true bounces. So, all right, keep it on watch. What about NVIDIA? I know NVIDIA's in the red. Let me see the bottom. Let me see how they're setting up for tomorrow. I know NVIDIA had an ugly setup too. Let me see. Last time I checked it. Alright, NVIDIA. Okay, what's the area we need to hold on that one? Bottoms wise. Ooh, they do got a possible gap fill though. They do have a possible gap fill if they get a sell-off underneath where we at right now? 218. So if they lose, like 217, what was the lows on this? 1620. I see a possible gap fill on the downside on NVIDIA. If they don't get their way back up. Because I see 2 gap fills. It's going to be interesting. Alright guys, I mean the only thing I can share with y'all with the video from what I just saw on the daily. Let me go to the video. I do have the video. Okay, I do see a potential gap fill. If we get above, we got to get above 222 for sure. We need to get above 222. Let me see how I can fix this though. Let me see how I can fix this. Because I definitely see I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys too as well. So you can see what I'm talking about. For NVIDIA. Alright. I see 2 potential gap fills from on both sides of the fence. Alright, so for NVIDIA, right about here we go. So we get above 222. We have room to fill the gap fill up to 225 plus. However, if things were to go south, if we get a drop below that 216, you have a gap fill all the way back down towards that 212. So, it's gonna be interesting. Kev, I don't know if you can see it on my chart, boss. I got 2 specific areas on NVIDIA. Let me
I see it.
I'm gonna mark them off too for those who can't see it. So I got this level here for a potential gap fill down, and then I got this area here for a possible gap fill up. So guys, yeah, see, we need to break above, if longs, you need to break above 222 to get that possible push up towards that 224 to 225 on the upside. Shorts, you need to take out this 216-ish area to get that gap fill down towards 212. And that is one of our key areas, 212, as long as I've been calling that out. Because 212 is where you broke out of and went for a gap up. So yeah. So that 216-ish area is gonna be crucial. 216.20. And then your 222 on the upside is gonna be crucial as well. Yeah. Yep, so we got that down packed. The opportunities on both sides of the fence on NVIDIA. So we got to stay above 216. We don't want to lose that. All right. So what I'm going to do, guys, let me clear all of this up because I know it's a lot. Let me clear the drawing set off real quick. All right. So based off of what I seen and what it presented to me on the got to get that break above 222 for sure. Definitely need 222 push. Right where your 200-day moving average is sitting at on that one too. Alright. 15 minutes, guys. We almost there. 15 minutes. I'm just trying to get everything situated for y'all. So longs, we got to get above 222 for sure. Let me move this up, 222. Right, and on the downside, you need to take out that the area I really had was like, I think it was 1620. What I seen. So we're kind of like in the middle. So we're kind of like in the mid area, guys, where it can go either back up towards 22 or back down towards 16. So this area, so this is kind of like a pivotal area. So is that 219 a pivot? Could be. 219 could play a major role on that. Somewhere in that bracket too. Let me see. It's like right in these little areas. Yeah, so that's gonna play a major role on the video. That 219. Yeah, yep. 219 bounce, 219 bounce, 219 bounce, 219. Yep. So that is gonna play a major role. Okay. All right. So let me break it down to everybody else. So guys, your 219 is gonna play a pivotal role. So longs. For the upside, from that 219, we need that break above 222. Shorts, you need to go back underneath 219 to get that pull back down towards that 216.20. Because therefore, if you can fall back underneath that level, you have room to fall down to possible 212s. With longs, you break above 222, you have room to push up towards 224 to 225. So we're about to see what 2 o'clock brings then. Yeah, this is going to be a little interesting on the video then. Knowing what we know now, that you have 2 potential gap fills up and down. So that's interesting. What we doing on MR? What we doing? Oh, you MF. It pulled back. I took my eyes off on it. Oh, my God, I missed it. As I was breaking things down, I took my eyes off of him. And it's doing it. Oh my God, I missed it. Oh my God, I missed it, guys. My alert didn't go off. It went by, but my alert didn't go off. That's why I didn't go. That's why I didn't look back at mRNA. Oh my God, my alert didn't go off. Oh, there go that drop. I was just talking about the $10 drop. Oh my God, Kevin, it did it. It did it. mRNA, 160 down to 150. My alert didn't go off. I told you. Oh my God, my alert didn't go off. That's why. Oh my God. It ran up to my alert, but it didn't hit it. It didn't trigger it. Oh my God, there go that $10 drop we just talked about. Oh man.
159.80 technically.
Oh my God. I want to cry so bad. Why? Just why? Why did you do that?
What happened?
I missed that $10 drop. Oh my god.
Moderna.
Man, and what happened was the reason why I took my eyes off on it. It didn't hit my alert didn't trigger off. It ran up to it, but it didn't hit it. So that's why I didn't pay attention to it. It ran underneath it and it slammed back down. Oh my god. Oh man, that hurt. I want to cry so bad. I was sitting here waiting for the longest for this to happen, and it actually did it. Oh my god, I can't believe I just missed that. And I was waiting on this the whole time. Oh my god. And Doug is still pulling. I would have had a $10 pull on this. I mean, at least we're spot on with it, though, Kev. We're spot on with that pull, with that call. About that $160, $150, $10 drop. Ah, God, that hurt. I don't know what, something just told me to go back to mRNA, and next thing I know, I seen it dropping. Oh my god. That just hurt. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. I ain't gonna get mad. I ain't gonna get mad about it. Stupid alert. Wow. Wow. And actually $10 pullback. I'll be down. Now I gotta wait for the next setup. Bruh. And then guys, there go your Tesla trying to curl his way back up, 148. What was the other one? Oh, Nvidia. Is Nvidia still doing this thing too? Let me go to Nvidia. Nvidia is still slowly curling. Still slowly curling up. Come on, thing. Alright guys, alright. Remember our goal, guys, for Nvidia, we want to get back above 122. I know we still got some ways to climb. We need to get back above 220 first, get us in that 220 bracket, then we want to slowly push $2 up to 222. Tesla, we anticipating this 348 break. Our target level towards the upside is 350 plus. Oh man, I don't even want to look at mRNA, man. I'm pissed. I don't even want to look at it no more. That just pissed me off. I'm done with it. I don't even want to look. I'm some bull. Somebody would have told us about it yesterday, we would have been fine. But you know, people want to keep secrets to themselves. I ain't gonna say no names. Just saying. Nah, but I'm glad they made money though. Shout out to them. Shout out to my guy. Alright, Tesla, nice little U-shaped pattern back up, 148. Need to get that candle to close. We got about 6 minutes, guys, till that data comes out, to the FOMC meeting minutes come out. If everything is positive, we want to see a break above that 48 for that push up towards 350 plus. We already know what we need on Nvidia. SPY, you already know what we need on that. We need to get back above that 72. Still got a long way to climb on that one. what else was we looking? I think Amazon was at 266. If I'm not mistaken, 266. Yeah, 266. 266 on that one. Did we go over Apple already? Or did we not? Apple. Oh yeah. Apple. We need to get back above 316.29 and 317.60. Other than that, you're gonna get that fade all the way back down towards that breakout zone this morning, which is 1180, 311.80. Oops, going the wrong way on that. All right, 5 minutes, guys. We almost there. Then after that, I'm gonna soon be leaving. About within 30 minutes after 2 o'clock, by 2:30, I'll be heading out. Yeah, still in talks for the funeral arrangements with my uncle, so all that's still taking place. All right, let's see. Apple got like a little downtrend setting up. Doom. You lose that 1480, guys. I mean, it's gonna come possibly back down to that breakout zone, right down towards that 312, 311.80. If we can't hold this 14 for that pushback up, other than that, you're going to get a continuation sell off to the downside, and that downtrend is going to commence. Let me see if I see anything else. It's like they're not holding though. A lot of them just. I really want to curse that mRNA so bad. I really do. Like, I really want to curse this crap out that stock right now. I waited that long for that, and it's. I can't believe that. It's crazy. I would have definitely been up because I'm looking at those contracts move out. I've definitely been up in profit on that. Some bull. The only level I can use now from this point, if I was to hop back in it, is that 155 now because we back down to need 155. The only thing I can use back down to 150. Now that I done missed the $10 drop on that. Man, that's crazy. 3 minutes, guys. I'm gonna see if we get any little potential pushback up where I can try to tack it again. It just pissed me off. Now I gotta wait for another bounce. Everything's still pointing down. That's crazy. I mean, SPY's still pointing down. Apple, Nvidia pointing down. Tesla still pointing down. They all got like, not Tesla, Apple. I'm sorry, Apple. That was so perfect too, man. That was a perfect overextension. All because my alert didn't go off. That's crazy. All right, guys, 2 minutes. We're gonna see what they gonna say. Matter of fact, let me get the FOMC website up to see what they say on their statement. Let's see what that's gonna come up. Where's my Fed's website? There we go. All right.
I mean, I'm at the airport, but I had to see what's gonna happen.
You really trying to go? You really trying to go to the moon, huh?
No. I'm hands off.
No. I'm talking about it was a joke because you say you was at the airport. You're talking about you singing to the moon.
Oh no. I'm heading to New York in a little bit.
Yep, that mRNA, that was a $10 drop right from 160 back down to 150. Yep, so everything.
Moderna?
Yep, $10 drop.
It took up that shit, didn't it?
Yep, it ran up after that little push from 160 all the way back down to 150. I'm saying they're gonna create another setup after 2 o'clock, because 160 right now is holding up strong resistance. Alright, it's almost, guys, almost. Right, here we go. 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock. What we get? What we get? 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock.
Check my tablet real quick.
Yeah, let me see if they dropped what the statement is. Press release. Anything. I ain't seen nothing pop up yet. Oh, there we go. There we go. Got it popped up. All right. I'm gonna bring it up, guys. Got it. Federal Reserve Wednesday, minutes. Let me see. Description. They ain't really saying nothing. Description of economic and financial conditions contained these minutes are based solely off of the information that was available to the committee at the time of the. They ain't saying shit. That was it? I mean, it's starting to bounce. Let me refresh to see if it's got anything else. The hell? I mean, they are pushing back up, though. Definitely pushing back up, but let's see if they're going to hold. Dow rises as Treasury reveals plan to reveal bond market pressure. Let me see. Treasury doubles debt. Buybacks as Bassett moves to steady bond market. That's the only thing I see. They are pushing back up though, slightly back to the upside. What the hell is? Still ain't say nothing though. Now they put me in a worse position on this shit. Yeah, it wasn't nothing crazy. Yeah, it wasn't nothing really. It's just blah, 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 bullshit, same old stuff. Now I gotta put myself in this. Let's see, the squeeze to the upside. Let's see.
I just want to see the numbers, though. What the fuck are the numbers? Gosh, it's so hard to fucking look at documents on a tablet. Oh, shit.
Man. Still getting a strong squeeze. NVIDIA right off that 219. I told you guys 19 your pivot point. Watch that 219. Don't you stay above that. You was gonna be in the buying zone or in the bullish zone on that one. Apple, you did held that 314.81. Your next level up is gonna be that 316.29. You need to get back above that price point up to that 317. Tesla, did we squeeze up on that one? Yep, 348. Next level up gonna be 350 on that one. So give some little squeezes to the upside right now. Some little squeezes. Yep, and mRNA trying to bounce its way back up, trying to hold on top of 155. Let's see, can they hold it? They fall back on 155. That's we aiming back down towards 150 on that one. Oh boy.
this with the held rates though. Hold on.
You got some more news?
I mean, this is pretty. I mean, if they hold it, it's the same shit, but. Let's see. I'm just looking at my email that my buddy just sent me right now. It's the plan, or what are we gonna do for this though? Let's see. I mean, so it's still hawkish, so it's still not good.
So he did. So he did. Oh yeah, because look what's happening.
3.5 to 3.75. Members hike on this one still. They wanted a. I mean, a lot of people still wanted a 25 BP hike, which is not good. They're not gonna signal a cut again, so it's gonna be a hold versus hike yet again.
Oh, that ain't good. Yeah.
Yield falls, tech cat. Okay, so I mean that's gonna be another one. Alright, so I mean it's still hawkish, so it's the same shit like fucking what was it on July? So same shit, nothing different.
All right, appreciate
Alright,
you.
I mean,
Appreciate you, boss, for that, for the insight. Thank you. Appreciate you.
absolutely nothing.
What time it is? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. All right. mRNA, what up? Boy, look at the set. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my God, look at that sell off on mRNA. Jesus Christ. Right back down to the 50s. Let's see. That's crazy work.
Bro, I mean, like, I mean, if you guys get a sell off here, I mean, to this date, man, I've been fucking dying. Like, I've been waiting for a 766 drop so I could get fine. I could map it out, but I mean, I just don't want. I mean, it's gonna stay in this level for a minute, which is fine. I'm not complaining, but. Jay, did you do good today?
Oh yeah.
Did you overtrade full?
No, I did not. Chill out. No, because I was mainly breaking down stuff. Nope, I did not. I didn't break the rules. I didn't break the rules, sir. I didn't break the rules, sir.
Did you see the implied volatility on the 120 puts on Moderna?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, did you look at the implied volatility though? Like, the 120s are like 276. The 115s are 285% volatility. It's freaking insane. There's one person. There's only one bag holder right now. In the hundreds, but then there's 28 people. I mean, it gets bigger once it gets to like 90.
Yeah.
But I mean, honestly, I think I'm actually gonna do some crazy shit. Like, I think I'm really gonna do this. Hold on.
Are you gonna bounce that?
30 day. Huh?
I thought you were trying to bounce it.
No. I mean, I'm not trying to bounce it, but I'm just saying, like, for the put side, if you really think about it, I don't think Moderna's gonna hold this long. I mean, if you do like a 30-day and do like $100 right now, I mean, it's not bad. It's not actually not that bad. I mean, even if you do a 16-day. I mean, let me see. Where are the bag holders at on the 16-day? Nobody. All right, let me see the 9-day. 9-day, they have to be bag holders, right? Come on, there has to be a few. No, there's no one on the 90 days. Shit. On the 2-day though, there's a lot.
Yeah, the 2 days. I was just about to say that the 2 days. I see, man, there was massive people on the 2 days.
I mean, there's a lot of people on this.
Mm-hmm. So we think that with a down to the VY, would you think we're gonna see that one back down to 140?
I mean, if you want to know what our numbers are, our numbers are gonna be 117, my brother.
Oh. Holy moly. Kev, what I told you, boy. What I told you, boss. That mRNA was overextended. What I told you.
Motherfucker, I've been telling you guys when we got out. That's why.
Yeah. When you got out, motherfucker, you didn't tell them when you was in it.
Wait, hold on. I just wanna make sure like me and my guys are fucking on the boat on this, because I mean, if we could make 1,000%, like if we could make 60,000, like 60,000% on this. Jay, you're not gonna hear me for a whole fucking year. I'm not even joking with you. I am literally fucking going ghost, and you won't see me until next year.
Jeez, to 117.
I mean, this is like a fucking lotto. This is what's the win weight percentage on this? Is probably like less, like 6%. So yeah, this is like a fucking huge gamble.
That is crazy.
Yeah, 115. Yeah, no, dude, I don't even wanna. Oh God, do I even wanna know? Hold on.
They still.
I'm gonna do a quick little math. I mean, I don't wanna just really go crazy. But let's see. If we did the 115 put.
Oh my God.
We did the 115 put, hold on, and then it drops all the way.
Holy crap.
I mean, if it goes to like 125 where it should be at afterwards, the estimated contract on that is going to be $5.80. Wait, so how much is it then? Right, how much? $5.80 would imply volatility. Yeah, I mean, shit.
And then a possible, and if this fades off, a possible gap down to tomorrow.
No, it's not. I mean, it's not a bad play. It's not the best play, but.
Sterling, what's up, Sterling? What's up, boss? Dad Moore, my guy. moly.
And I'll be fucking landing in New York around like what, 4:30, 4:45? Fuck.
Jeez. Look how much room this thing has to fall to.
I know Primo's gonna be shorting the fuck out of this shit
Oh,
tomorrow,
I do see it. Yeah, that 117. I do see it. I see what you're talking about. I see it.
I mean, because it's gonna be a quick drop all the way down.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a quick drop, $20, but then there's still a lot of people who are holding it though.
Cool.
There's a lot of people holding the bag on this one right now. I'm gonna give you a little heads up, Jay. You wanna know some little insider information?
What's up, boss?
You wanna know something crazy?
What's up?
There's a lot of fucking people right now who's jumping on massive shorts on Google.
Oh, let me see.
Just a heads up.
Oh, yeah, down to the what 340?
I'm not gonna say. No,
Oh, okay, okay.
I mean,
Okay,
I
okay, okay.
can't say
Okay,
anything
okay.
about it.
Okay.
But just letting some people know, Google has a massive freaking amount of people shorting because of their overspending right now. And I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna say anything, but you know, 300 is a key number for the time being. So if you know, if Google has a key number like that, you know where the market is going to be heading.
Down, down, baby. Yo Street in the Range Rover. It's crazy.
Alright, Jay, I'll see you in the morning.
All right, boss. I'm about to be heading out too, man. Have a good one. All right, ladies and germs, my Discord family. Great trade. We're gonna keep on watching to see what tomorrow brings. And like right now, so far, I mean the news wasn't positive. Like wasn't nothing to shake the market up to the upside. So we're gonna definitely keep this on watch. Now, if you are looking for the short side, again, our intended areas back down is gonna be towards 768.50s back down towards our bottoms of that 67.50 if sellers come in aggressive. Let me see, anything else, guys, that y'all going over looking at this time? Not Aussie, anything else?
Oh, good, boss. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna still keep my eyes peeled on Moderna. I'm gonna still keep my eyes peeled on that one. Cause man, there's a lot of room that bad boy can drop once they lose steam. I mean, I'm definitely keeping on watch. I'm still watching that 160s. What I would like to see is a pullback down to like the 140s, 120s. I would definitely like to see that. So I'm gonna keep it on watch, keep my eyes posted on that, Queen. So if anything pops off, I will. You already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep you updated on everything and let you know what takes place. Same thing, Andrew. If you ever need help with anything, boss, just feel free to reach out to me. Let me know, boss. I got you on that too.
Alright, thanks, man.
Yeah. So I'm gonna, like I said, I mean, I want to see if other traders gonna be, be looking at the same thing for mRNA, knowing that we already overextended. I mean, I'm gonna definitely just keep my eyes peeled on that to see, definitely being overbought at this time with this huge gap up to see on how they're gonna play it going into tomorrow and Friday. So I'm gonna definitely look into it, boss. All right, guys, I'm about to head out of Discord. Y'all have a blessed day. I will see y'all tomorrow for Take Profits. Not Take Profits, Throwback Thursday. So y'all have a blessed one, guys. Yes, sir.
Take care. God
Yes,
bless.
yes, ma'am. God bless. All right, guys, about to be heading out of my stream. Like I said, so far so good. Made some good plays this morning. That's why I wasn't in. I mean, we had to focus on it because mRNA was notified to us this morning, so we had to do like a focus trade. So now that the move has been made already toward the upside, we're gonna see where we go from here, guys. So I will keep you guys updated on mRNA and for the rest of the stocks to see on how we're gonna be prepping up for Thursday and Friday. So let me give everybody a shout out, man. Thank y'all so much for coming through too. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate you guys. W team as always, great job. It's always shout out to my mods. And again, shout out to Minecraft again for allowing me the letting me use the theme. Thank y'all so much, man. Y'all give a follow, subscribe to and support to Minecraft on all platforms at Minecraft. Shout out to them. Thank them so much for that. Other than that, let me again, if you are new to my channel, guys, go to my YouTube channel, smash the subscribe button if if you're learning a lot. And again, we're gonna keep progressing. More and more. Try to become better traders and fixing our mistakes, our errors, and so forth. If you're already subscribed, like, share, comment. If you're on Twitch, follow or subscribe to avoid the ads. But other than that, guys, let me go ahead and put up my my little sign out sheet. You already know what time it is. About to be going ahead and sign on out. Again, thank you guys so much for joining me. I do apologize for coming in late. I mean, we had a focus trading this morning, so but I will be going back to normal starting tomorrow. Do apologize about that. And we'll keep it rocking and rolling, guys. But you guys stay blessed. You guys stay safe. And you already know what I'm about to say before I head on out. Maximize your reward, minimize your risk. Always put grape over greed, and you will succeed every single time. Till then, stay blessed, stay safe, guys. Peace.
Subscribe for more content.